Oh shit, I can hear you. I think you're good now. What's your bias for GJ? Bro, my weekend was freaking marvelous, bro. Thank you for asking. DJ gonna melt to 165.55. Let's take a look at GJ. I haven't even. What? Look at these buys above, guys. Like, I literally sent this all to my VIP earlier. If you notice, where's GJ? DJ's right here. Oh my god, why does it always do that? Bro, I don't know what we gotta stop doing this shit on stream, bro. Alright, right here. So, buys above area with confirmations. Where was the confirmations, right, gang? The confirmations were clearly right here. Right? You get a candle open. Those above are whole rejection area. Right? These are rejection areas. Here, here. So we know that once a candlestick closes, we know that we can be looking for our buys. So how would I have executed? I would have executed based off this candle here going bearish. Right? For a bit, and then taking the candle flip. Once that candle flipped, you guys could have executed your trade or entered above the highs. Either way, either way it works, right? So the flip of the candle or the break of these highs would have been a pretty nice entry, keeping stops below here or below previous candle below. So then target which zone? Our next zone up here, right? Because here we could get a pullback. Yo, where's JP at? Which JP? I don't know, bro. I don't know what happened to him. So literally exactly what happened here. You guys could have caught it here, but that was some more sketchy. How we doing? We're doing great, bro. Oh look, I added the Zoom thing here.
What up, chat? Right. Good morning. Good morning. Right. Welcome everyone. So, let's just get this ready. Welcome. Oh my god, I just seen crypto. Holy shit. Morning everyone. So, yeah, let me just move this over here. here. Welcome. So it is a new week over here. Yeah, looking like GG over here is pulled up. So let's take a look if there's any easy entry over here to get in. Yeah, there was. Nice. So what time is this at? 4:15. Closure above. Yeah, that was nice. So in the max I caught 12 pips in GG, but if I waited one more second I could have caught 30. Well, 12 pips is good enough, right? Yeah, I put in the chat a couple hours ago. What was that? For Asian, I said, look like breaks above 690 look nice. 690 is here. Breaks above, there you go. Closure. Break of the high. Stop loss below the previous 14 pips. I probably get on the flip then. And there you go. 12 pips stop. 15 pip for TP1, and then to continue to the highs, 39 pips. Beautiful. Yeah, that was nice for people who caught that. But time was no good, Max, so no trade. Yeah, agreed. It was hard, but if you were up at that time, then that was perfect, right? Perfecto. Okay, so yeah, I've got a new mouse. Oh, it feels amazing. Oh my god, it's so much better. So let's first of all check news over here. Oh, we have a lot of news at 7 o'clock. Yeah, interesting. How come you're streaming this early? Why not? Just felt like I could come on for a little while. So 7 AM, big ass news for GJ, which is going to be interesting to see what the score is. I may have to wait then for that, I think. Yeah, I don't think I want to be jumping into early buys if this news comes in over here. Because this is quite important right now. It's actually GDP, it's everything, right? So yeah. We'll have to hold on a little bit for that. But yeah, we'll get to it in a second. So, hope everyone had a really good weekend as well. Hello, morning. So, yeah, let's go through this over here. So the daily time frame did close bearish last week. That buy was good. Yeah, it was nice for people who may be up at that time. So yeah, daily time frame closed bearish. So did the last one, showing that it's holding this resistance at the top. So let's just draw this daily line on over here, which is right around here. Okay, so daily line over here. This is the daily flip. Beautiful work. This is when the daily time frame is gonna flip. Yeah, it took its time, but then it hit my full TP. That's nice, Tommy boy. Yeah. That was nice. Okay, 4-hour time frames are being bullish, which is nice to see. Nice, very nice. Printing a little bit bullish. This one broke the low and the high of the previous. This one is starting to continue up. Buys above 166068 for the 4-hour time frame would be nice, because then filling these big candles here would be tasty. So let me just put the 4-hour flip on. Over here. Let's take a look. Brian's in the building today. Hello, Brian.
How are you?
How you doing?
Good yourself, man.
Good. You have a good weekend?
Yeah, good, thanks. It was the wife's birthday.
Oh, nice. I know it's my birthday soon. Shit. Okay, so yeah, looking like there's a little bit of support over here that I may be starting to make at 165,870 right on the 4-hour flip, which is kind of interesting. So I mean, yeah, 13 minutes left of this candle. If this candle closes bullish above, it should theoretically fill this zone, right? Yeah, that would be nice. The zone itself is 28 pips, which isn't too bad. To be honest with you. But yeah, I think the buys are nicer down here. Pushing before. Yeah, so looking like it might be making either a bit of resistance here or a bit of support. We'll see what the score is. But yeah, looking like the zones itself are kind of big, which is good to see. Let me just put this over here. Down here. So if we took sells, where would we want the sells? Wow, what the fuck is going on over here? Shit. Yeah, I think sells are going to be pretty self-explanatory. They're just going to be sells below. I think that'll be pretty reasonable. to take sells below. Where would we continue down to if we do take the sells? I mean, we could actually get sells a little bit higher up if you wanted to, like right around here, below the daily flip, to then continue to the lows. Is it going to be worth it? Nah, it's not. The zone is like 9-10 pips. Better to just wait for below over here. So, if we do break, wow, the Owlie's got kind of clean candles all the way back down to 164383. So let me just draw this over here. Yeah, 164898. I can start to see on the 30-minute time frame. That's probably where the next zone is if we break below 37 pips. Got a minor one there, but that's pretty much there, right? So closures below there. So sells below are going to be looking nice. Let's mark these on over here. So I hope everyone over here who was holding crypto is not shitting their pants.
They're definitely shitting their pants.
Yeah.
25k.
Oh my god. Yeah, that's not a vibe.
Yeah, that's for sure.
Oh my god. People are holding the bag. They're like, man, why didn't I just sell it like 60k? Fuck, I've just fucked up.
I wonder if Toro's gonna sell his screen.
Yeah. It's the issue with it. You never know when to sell. Just like it's like trading, right?
Yeah.
Wait, what? Just lost the third phase of price action on 50-minute. Trading view shows that I made profit, but Pro could didn't tap my TP. Ah. Oh, very nice. This is like phase 3, right? Yeah. What, you didn't take any profits, bro? Yeah, you gotta when you're in a trade for profits, etc. Don't focus on trading view. Focus on your MetaTrader, because that's the thing that's making you the money, right? Trading view is just a nice thing to look at, but you need to close them profits, right? They'll always differ a little bit, right? They'll always differ. I think for me, so I kind of want to wait for this news to come out, but buys above 166155 would be okay. I think.
Nice retest.
Yep. I agree. Oh yeah. Yeah, that was juicy. Look at the hourly time frame now, reflipping the 4-hour time frame as well. Nice bullish candles. Yeah. Yeah. So I looked at a little trade to get in over here. When did I look to get in? What time is it at? Yeah, here.
Yeah, I saw you guys were talking in Asian.
Yeah.
What's going on here?
I went for a cheeky little bit of a buy over here with stop loss below there, and I took profits there.
Oh, nice.
And I wanted to hold it on because I thought it would continue, but yeah. So I mean, for me, it was pretty self-explanatory because the 4 hours are all bullish, and I know that Asian likes to make the top wick of the daily first. So yeah, I looked to getting in a bit lower with stop loss like right here. Yeah, runner got topped out over here, but yeah, that was nice. Closure above 165,680 there was nice. 12 pip stop.
So this is how I. Yeah, leave your picture like that, right? I want to show you something.
Yeah.
So this is how you can look at a range trade, right? So there's your range. Okay. Let me just get another line here. Then you've got a 50% retracement level, right? And you can see this is closing below, but then they start closing above. And this could have been your buy. So a range has 50% as well. You get me?
Yeah.
And when they start closing like this, then you know the bullish pressure is in.
Yep, it's ready to go. Yeah.
It was a good effort. It just had to come down a bit more.
A bit more, yeah. Agreed.
Yeah.
It took a while as well, man. I was fucking sitting there like I want to go to bed, man. Like what the fuck? It took a while.
Slow, eh?
Well, it didn't move slow, but look at these lower fucking wicks. Every 50-minute time frame is making a fucking massive lower wick. I'm like, oh, because I was at break even for ages, but like it kept on coming down. Like, oh, mate, can you just start fucking launching now? So, Yeah, that was a little trade idea that I put into the chart a little bit earlier on later. But yeah, so we'll see. I mean, the 4-hour time frame's looking like they are bullish. There is a little bit of resistance there, so I think buys above 166.1580 gonna be nice. However, there is news, right? It's not like it's small news. It's gonna be kind of big news, right? So that's gonna be interesting. The rest of the day, though, doesn't look too bad. Rest of the day doesn't look too bad, which is nice to see. Okay. So yeah, let me just message my girl for a sec. But yeah, birthday week as well. Shit. Okay, let's take a look then at Goldie. Let's take a look what the score is on Goldie. We'll take a look. So it's looking like we are starting to make some bullish closures over here on the 50-minute time frames. Okay, so the last daily time frame actually closed bullish above little minor resistance at 1867, which is good to see finally. Yeah, it took a long time to break out of this range, this little minor on, which looks like it's actually doing it now, which is good. I don't know at the time it looks. Yeah, it's it. It runs in the one part of the Asian, but you don't know if it's going to be at 12 o'clock or 4 a.m. Yeah, and that was the issue. Okay, so the daily time frame did close bullish above. The weekly time frame as well closed bullish. Yeah, kind of interesting. So maybe some signs of rejecting these lows over here. Look at my arrows here playing the fucking thing.
You can remove it. There is a trade history on the back testing thing.
Yeah, let's take a look. History. How do I do this?
I'm not too sure, but I know there is.
Yeah, I'll sort it out in a bit. So daily time frame over here is bullish. Well, at the moment it is bearish, but it did close bullish above, which is nice. We just had a 4-hour closing is solidly bearish, which is interesting. The 4-hour time frame looking a little bit washed over here. Rejected the highs. 4-hour candle closed very, very strongly bearish. So not really much of a vibe over here. Let's take a look then at the hourly time frames. Yeah, 3 hourly candles that were ranging a little bit over here. Okay. And let's take a look. Right, so looking like through Asian session, what time is this at? 2 a.m. They kind of broken below over here, which is kind of nice actually. That was quite an easy break and closure. How much would stops be breaking of the previous 27 pips? Kind of beefy. That was kind of nice though. Clean candles to the left, pretty good. So looking like a lot of bearish momentum came in there. So for me, I mean, sells to continue further down would be nice below 1860.8. So let's just whack this on over here. Sells below 1860.743 would be nice. I think that's going to be pretty decent to continue further down. And then I think for buys, potentially buys above, back above over here. Yeah, I think that could be good. Buys above, because we're coming back above that support, and it should flip the daily and continue bullish. So that'll be good for me. There we go. Beautiful. Raja took that trade and showed us in story. Oh, Raja caught sells early. The gold sells. Raja is on the. Yeah. Raja is fucking. His times on the charts are just clinical. Nice. Yeah. That's so clinical. 2 a.m. My guy's looking. So yeah, beautiful. Charts all aligned, charts all marked, and now he's sit and wait. Very simple. Cowboy Raja. It wasn't cowboy. It was easy. It's an easy closure below, right? Look at that 30-minute closure below. Easy. Yeah. So yeah, we'll wait patiently over here. Let's take a look then at GJ. Let me just take a look. Yeah, it's gonna be interesting for this news in half an hour time. It's gonna be nice to see what the score is for this little bit of GJ news. See what the score is. See if there's any pushes to the upside or the downside. Could be quite volatile. Could be quite volatile. Why so early? Just fancy getting up a little bit early. Start the week off. Over here. So yeah, let me just take a look. On something. I'm just checking the quality because people are saying like the quality might be a little bit bad over here. Let me take a look. Oh, that's great. That's grand. It's grand. Okay, yeah. So we're here. Let's just take a look while we are waiting over here for Bitcoin. Oh my god. Oh my god. No way. Oh my god. What a fucking
You would have been, if you were still in
stinker.
there, you would have been livid there.
Oh mate. It's after it broke because it held the level for ages, right? Like this one, 28. Oh man, look at this daily time frame. That does not look good. Oh shit. That does not look good, man. I'd be taking sells on that candle with stop loss above there, like fuck. Oh man, the amount of people that run up more money as well and put them in there to hold this support to continue bullish. Oh no. That shit is nasty. Why we should not buy if closed above on 50-minute on gold? I mean, you could, but I think the thing for me is that we've just pushed down bearish, right? So correcting this move straight away. Why would we want to correct this? The 4-hour time frame is just closed bearish. So this could be making the top wick to then drive down later on. So I think sells are probably going to be a little bit easier for me, I think. But yeah, I mean, it's closed above little minor resistance there. You could try and long it, but I think for me it's not right. I'd rather wait. For me this is zone. This one here, zone 1. This is zone 2, and I'm not taking in the middle of a zone, right? I never take it in the middle of a zone. Hell no. Did someone in the chat say they took gold sells on the 5-minute? Was that Jason? Was that fucking Jason in the morning? Oh my god. Jason pulling out the stops for everyone over here. I think it was Jace. Yeah, it was 2 o'clock. Oh my god. Look at this. So this is, Jace. I think everyone in the chat will know Jace now. Look at that. That was tasty. Thing is, I don't get with Jace. Why don't you just put your stop loss above that candle? Why this extra room? Do you agree with that,
basing
Brian?
it on a 2-to-1.
Yeah.
It's just a 2-to-1. He's got his preset 2-to-1, and I think that's probably how he'll find the consistency is if he does 2-to-1 the whole time.
Yeah, that's fair. That's fair enough. So let's take a look then for these gold things, see if they're going to work out. Let's take a look at GJ now. Yeah, so 50 minutes closed bearish. 30 minute is closed as well, making a top wick, then maybe flip and continue to fill that wick. But yeah, looking like it's probably going to wait for the news, right? So be a little cautious there. Let's take a look at what XRP is at right now as well. Very interested. Oh, 27p. Oh, fuck. Oh, man, I just feel great now taking all that shit out in March. I think Vincent did it as well. we both secured the bag. Yeah, I closed my shit like there, I think. Yeah, 42. It's at 25 now. Oh my god. That sucks for people, but have you stopped trading AJ? Nope, I'll do AJ in a second as well. We'll take a look. Oh wow, yeah. Okay, so same thing with GJ over here. It was very, very bullish. 2 bearish daily candles over here. Very nice. Let's take a look. Right. So, there's a little bit of a gap on the daily. So I'll do current daily flip. Right. Do current daily flip. So yeah, 2 bearish candles. Overall trend is bullish. The 4-hour time frame is looking like they're making a little bit of support. Let me just put this on. So 4-hour time frame right now is bearish on AJ. Okay, the hourly time frame closed doji bullish, and it didn't close above this little minor resistance we've got over here. 30-minute, 50-minute. Oh, very, very simple on AJ, right? You can see it pretty nicely, right? We're just in a range, so the resistance level is here, which is beautiful. So once 94,870. If you get a closure above there, it should be good to continue bullish. Where would we continue bullish to? Well, that would be the first target, 95,039. So that could be pretty reasonable. Yeah, I'd kind of like that actually. Yeah, I'd kind of like that a lot, to be honest with you. To be honest with you, not too bad. Buys above, looking good. Let me put that on. Oh my god, this mouse is so much better. Oh my god. And yeah, sells probably below here. Very, very nice. Very nice. So after that retracement over here, I mean, GJ could still continue bullish, but the 30-minute time frames now ain't looking the best. So yeah, Bitcoin could go lower to around 10k. Oh my god. I think people are hoping not. Imagine you're holding the bag. Oh my god, I'd be scared shitless of it. Would not be a vibe. So yeah, we'll see how this 50-minute play out over here. See what GJ is gonna do, but I think for the news at 7 AM, it's probably gonna range until then, because this is not small news, right? This is manufacturing production, industrial production, GDP. You know, it's all the things that are going around. So it's gonna be interesting to see what they're like. They're expected bad construction output, manufacturing productivity, industrial production to be higher, and GDP to be higher. So kind of a mixed bag of results, right? Mixed bag of results, yeah. So we'll see. Let's just take a look at over here as well. So yeah, last week not many trades taken, but I went through it. It was just very, very rangy, but it's all good. What's your idea about tick charts? What? I have no idea what they are, my man. Max, I sent you a chart. Can you take a look, please? Yeah, I'll take a look. So yeah, people in the membership this week, we're gonna go through the homework on Thursday. Tomorrow we're gonna do a simulation, and then we're gonna do another simulation on Wednesday. So Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, all the days packed up, which will be nice. So yeah, charge to the stream. Okay, let's take a look over here. Beautiful. Oh, Mocha into the buy over here. Very nice. Yeah, I think it worked nicely. I think buy is a little bit lower down there would probably be safer. But beautiful. Was your stop loss based on the 30-minute? Could you put it 2 50-minute candles below? Yeah. Yeah. So I think that was nice. Worked out, played nicely. I think your stop loss could have been there though, to be honest. Yeah. I think so. So yeah. Let's take a look here. There we go. GJ starting to fill out work over here. Interesting. I wonder how many people tried to take them buys there. Be a little bit careful first. If this was like nice times, then I mean, if this closes below, it should fill the zone up, right? But yeah, I'm not going to touch it until this news comes out in like 20 minutes or so. Let the news come out. I think that'll be easy. So yeah, I answered a lot of questions after I saw your comment on the Instagram. That was hella funny.
You probably get some weird questions though that you don't repost.
Yeah, I don't get too fair. They're actually not too bad. Let's take a look.
Not too bad.
Yeah.
I take it.
Let's take a look at some of the ones I have today. Yeah, just normal questions. How much stop loss do you use for gold in GJ? I get that one all the time.
Yeah, which is common knowledge by now.
Yeah. Why don't you go for a funded account? Yeah. Max wish me luck going to take an FT mode challenge during start of summer holidays. Oh, good luck, good luck. Good luck, good luck. Hope it goes well. It will do, it will do, it will do. So yeah, looking like GJ's coming down over here, nice. So yeah, there's Asian buyers that will work pretty nicely after a closure above. Nice lower wick as well. Because you've got in on the retest there. Let's take a look over here at the 5 minute. So this is the candle closure above, the retest. Oh yeah, it was kind of nice. Right at these wicks. So that's 685. How would that look on here? 685. Yep, stop loss below. Wow, so you could have got in there. On the retest here, stop loss below the previous 9 pip stop. That was nice. Oh man, I'm looking for my retest trades this week. Like for sure, I'm gonna cop one on the stream. I can feel it. I can feel it in my bones. I can't wait to do it on stream though. Everyone's be like, what the fuck is this guy doing over here? Like normally my guy's waiting for the, we used to be waiting for the flip and now he's already in, what? And when the flip comes he's already up 10 pips. I go, yeah boy. That's right. Closing 80% at 20 pips. Oh yes. Yeah, that simulation session that we did was literally every single trade there was a retest. There was not one entry to get in. Like,
yeah, it was good to watch.
Yeah. Max, do you advise to take that Asian trade? I gave some advice, right? I said in the chat, breaks above 165.690 looked nice for people looking at it, and yeah, they were nice. And they played out nicely. But yeah, I couldn't really give you any more advice apart from that because I stopped looking at the charts at like 1:30, because I wanted to go to bed because I'm up at 6 or whatever. So I'm not gonna wait here until that happens because it happened like fucking 3 hours later. I'm not waiting up the whole time. Hell no. Check the time too late. There's nothing late about it. It's just Asian session 4 AM. There's some moves at 4 AM. It's fine. Closure above. Oh, my zone's wrong. Let's take a look, Manish. Beautiful. So you've made this resistance yet, so it could act as support now. Beautiful. And then these are the lows. Yeah, I think this line should be on the body of them candles, I think. And then yeah, resistance there. Beautiful. Very, very simple. Nice. I like it. So you've got this like this, right? Yeah, that's also reasonable as well. To be honest, I might move that actually to mine. Quite like it. Yeah. Because I thought I was going to make some support over here, but it didn't. So yeah, this is the new level. It could make some support. It's going to be interesting. Will news affect gold? Yes, probably. Probably. Maybe if it's a big outcome, then yeah, gold will move as well. Because safe haven, right? So if anything dodgy happens with the GJ, then the safe havens will change. Max, wouldn't you consider sells under 165.700 as a big closure back in the range? Yep, I would, but today, not now, because we have news, and this news is going to be kind of interesting over here. We got news, and it's going to be Freaky Monday, sorry. like Friday, oh my god, Friday was so fun, like vibed on Raja's stream when he was taking them trades. Oh my god,
crazy.
That was. Yeah. So Raja got in, yeah, he got in right at that point that I said, yeah, it was nice. My guy got in early, man, that was tasty. But that was clean cut, right? 30-minute close below. So if you're up at that time and couldn't see that,
textbook trade.
Yeah, stop loss was nice. I mean, yeah, clean candles to the left. I mean, that was beautiful, right? Very, very simple. If you were up at that time. Will the gold buy on CPI last week affect London Open plus news? not the gold buys and CPI will affect GJ now because it was open, right? At the time, so it probably moved at the time a little bit, did it? Did it push it down a little bit further over here? Yeah, it did. It finally broke that lows everyone was trying to take to 0.80. Yeah. Let's take a look. Since it pumped during Asian Open as well, yeah. These dollar is moving nicely and consistently up lately. How do people know if Raja went in? Is he posting or streaming somewhere? Yeah, he just posts on Instagram. His entry. His entry was there. Yeah. His entry was there. Oh man, one of my favorite YouTube people it's called Mike Malak. He's friends with Logan Paul. My God, he bought a Bored Ape literally just before this started nutting down all the crypto. So man, his thing is worth half the price. He paid 750 grand for it. Oh my God. Oh my God. Did you see?
They definitely have more money than brains, mate. Those X.
Yeah. But that's good. That's all right for them, right? They can just put some money in the basket. One of them's gonna launch. Doesn't matter if they just fail, right? It's the power of it. When you get rich, you normally kind of stay rich because you just go to a load of conventions, look at business ideas, you put some money in a couple, put your eggs in a couple baskets, and one of them is gonna do well, right?
Yeah.
Did you see Raja trade on Friday? I saw all of Raja's trades on Friday.
Literally.
It's fun to watch. It's fun. It's enjoyable on a Friday. Excitement. We can definitely see that crypto isn't very good safe haven. Oh no. It's people that have got so much money in it though, maybe they put their savings in it. Oh my God.
They're gonna be remortgaging their house one of these days.
Yeah. Well, the issue is if it gets too low, right, and they've actually got shit to pay for, they can only hold it back for so long.
Yeah.
What if it just never comes back up? Then, oh shit.
And what if it also goes to 0?
Well, that's the only thing that would scare me now is that Luna actually did do this. It's just oh man.
Happened now once, right?
Yeah. And they go, oh well, because someone was trying to fuck it over and X, Y, Z. And go, yeah, but it still happened. I'm keeping my money well away from fucking crypto now. Do you see anything else here, Bri? What do you think for buyers and sells?
Yeah, I just want to see if this level holds.
Yeah.
I don't know if we're gonna sell there, but it's the news, right? I don't know what the news is gonna do.
Yeah.
But the level seems to be holding for buyers, right?
Yeah. Yeah. But after the loss, he took it, did shoot back up, and he only got stopped out a couple of pips. Yeah, he took buys after the stream finished. That was so funny as well. Who is in the chat here? Raj is definitely looking for these buys off stream. He's just not gonna tell anyone until he fucking posts a picture who's made it. Luna was more or less a pyramid scheme. Yeah. Max, hasn't gold made a clear resistance? What do you mean here? Yep, 1865. So, the people before saying that the gold buys over here, just be careful, right? Price doesn't just move. I mean, look how big this move is, right? Price just doesn't move 160 pips in a couple hours to then come back and push all the way back to the tops, right? What's easier is probably waiting for the sells back below over here to continue the bearish trend. What can happen is price can retrace, make some resistance here, and then to continue back down. But I've talked about it in the last webinar that I just posted. If this is phase 1, this is phase 2, this is phase 3. You trade phase 1 and phase 3, not phase 2, because phase 2 can fuck in the ass just like it's done right now. Because you don't know how far it's going to pull up, right? And because you're counter trend, you can be slapped quite a lot of times. So that's what I went through in the webinar that I just posted before over here. If you guys haven't watched it, make sure to go watch it. Yeah, it'll help you. It'll help you out over here.
Enjoy your support.
It'll help you out. Oh my god, I absolutely love this mouse. Oh, it's amazing. That old mouse gave me pain.
What's the roller wheel for on the left by the thumb?
I don't know. I need to program it because I think that'd be sick, right? I would love. I love to make because it's got two. Oh no! It rolls as one. So it does this at the moment. That's what it's doing. Oh, I love it if it could like if I could like program
What's
it to
up,
do.
motherfuckers?
Hello, Jace. Did you take that gold trade before?
Oh, deep.
Nice.
I close at 40 poops. That is trap. I eat poops, my man. No.
Oh no way.
I close full, man.
You close full. No.
I close full at 40. Listen, that's my rules, man.
Yeah.
So I was just going with my rules. So I didn't expect that massive drop, and yeah, it was crazy, man.
So Jason got in like that. Jason got in there. Shit, you close your 40 pips on the fucking break of the lows. Shit, man, if you just held out a little longer, you'd have got boom.
No, but to be honest, I said like TP, and obviously I got busy. I was.
Yeah.
I had to like troubleshoot, like our network at work went off, so we lost communication, and I was troubleshooting, and I just went back. I ran back up to my PC, and I saw like, whoa. Because you know, if you're busy, time goes so quick, man. You don't pay attention about time, so yeah, it went so quick, man.
Yeah.
Anyway.
That was early as well, man. That was fire. That was a sick entry. Shit. My guy was looking at the charts early.
I was at work, man. That's why I kept it.
Plus,
I haven't got any sleep yet, bro. I literally just dropped my wife's kids at school now because it's bloody raining this side of the world. So I'm on my way home now. So
nice.
It's news now at 8 o'clock, eh?
Yeah. Be careful. Don't be taking no GJ trades. Oh, I think this is gonna be kind of interesting. Yeah.
Listen, you know what happened with GJ? It's gonna make a week and get the flip.
Oh my god, not again.
It happens every time. So put I don't journal these things.
US News says there might be more interest hike. Yeah, so gold's gonna continue up. Yeah. I don't know why they say there might be. There needs to be, man. They need to control this fucking inflation. God dang. Get them interest rates up. I know for people borrowing money, it's not really too good, but stop borrowing money. Make your own fucking money.
Yeah, but it hurts the bottom line, right? It hurts
I know, man.
the
It
lower
sucks.
class so badly. Every country, when their interest rates go up, it hurts the bottom.
Yeah, exactly. It ain't too good. How strict is everyone with moving stop loss to break even? Did some backtesting over the weekend. I felt I was missing out on moves, or am I being a greedy fucker? You missing out on moves because your stop loss was at break even too early? Yeah. I mean, you know, you find your sweet spot. I think for me, it's like seven pips for me on GJ is where it works out. Sometimes, yeah, it's gonna hit your break even, then continue. But for the most part, like I'd say 8 times out of 10, it's gonna hit my 10 pips. So you know, and then the other times, if it comes to my entry, I'm gonna have to take most of the drawdown for quite a lot of the time. So. I mean, I would focus more on the getting in on the retests and then putting your stop loss to break even on the flips. That's probably the best thing to do. But when you're getting on the flips, I mean, stop loss to break even for me 7 pips, yeah. But you can find your balance, right? You can find it. Maybe you want to just leave it until 10. See how that goes. Yeah. Do you focus on a few pairs to mainly trade, or do you watch a lot of pairs? A few, yeah. GJ Gold and AJ are my go-tos. Yeah. What I learned off, so why not keep it? Make sure to like the stream up, guys. Like and subscribe, all that good stuff. And we'll see how this week goes. We'll see the score. Yeah, kind of interested. Ready to start this week, man. Especially on weekends, I'm like, bro, I just want to start trading, bro. Especially last week as well, when there wasn't that many moves, man. I just want to take some trades over here. Yeah.
I'm driving in front of a Polo Max.
You what?
I'm driving behind a Polo Max.
A Polo Max.
Have you seen it? Like in my double X. It's the first time I'm seeing it.
Let's take a look.
You just Google it, see if it's real. It was that guy with his name. You just check Google to see if it's real.
What, a fucking Max? I don't know what you're on about, Jace.
No, it's a Polo. A VW.
Oh. Where's Jason from? Jason's from South Africa.
I'm from the zoo. I'm driving through the forest right now.
Yeah, he's driving through the fucking lions and shit. Yeah. My guy's in Africa.
I'm in the heart of Africa.
I forget that. How long, Brian? How long would it take you to get to like Kenya or something? If I was Kenya from you.
Tough drive.
To fly to Kenya, man.
Well, how long? How long on a flight?
Maybe a couple of hours.
Yeah, it's not too far. Yeah.
Nah.
Yeah. You have to travel to. You have to exchange. You have to take like probably 2 to 3 flights.
What? Fucking hell, for the same.
It's not that. No, it's not that many. I've had a family member do that gorilla walk thing in Kenya.
Oh wow.
Pay so much money and didn't see one gorilla.
No way! Oh my god,
Yeah,
man.
100%, bro.
Imagine
Go
that.
to Johannesburg and take a flight from there. Because I remember when I went to Zim, which is like next to us, I had to go to Johannesburg.
It's like 4 or 5 hours, man. It's like the same from here to Mauritius fast. It's not far.
Yeah.
So okay, 2 flights then.
Man, those gorilla walks, man. Have you not seen it where like the gorilla just grabs like the lass's ankles and it just drags them? Oh my god, these guys are beefy fuckers. I would not mess with a gorilla. Hell no.
Yeah, that's for sure. Jeez.
Max, when to wait for proper rotations and when to take trades just based on low wicks? I have no idea what you mean there, my man. Gorillas are in Uganda, guys. What? Only in one place? I thought they were scattered everywhere.
They're everywhere. Tell that like to go sleep. It's early.
Yeah. From London, it's 8 hours to Kenya. Oh, that's not even that bad. Shit.
Yeah, it's not too bad.
That's not bad at all. Yeah. That's not bad at all. Oh, looking like AJ's going to continue over here. It'll be interesting to see how this news affects AJ as well. So 4 minutes left for this news. Hold your seatbelts. Like the stream and relax. Do not be taking any impulse trades over here. Unless you are risking it for a chocolate biscuit on a Monday. Buys above here. Buy stop. Buy stop. It'll be interesting to see what this news is going to be like. It's more interesting when it's my own country as well, so it's kind of like, oh shit, I hope these are good numbers. But I mean, they're not nice though. Like 0.3%. Wow, that's like shit gains, bro. Trading the news? Question mark? Nope, I am not trading the news. I'm just gonna watch out over here, see what the score is. It may set the tone for the session though, so well, it will set the tone. If it's big enough news. Where's Milan these days? Ah, fuck knows. Bless him. My guy's in Bulgaria now. I'm from Kenya. We don't have gorillas here. Ah. Oh wow, is this it? Thing is though, I mean, imagine, yeah, it's a bit, you know, you want to see them in then.
Sounds like the guy from Kenya also doesn't know where he's living.
Ah yeah, Kenya gorilla.
Oh my god.
Shit.
Gorillas everywhere in thick forest. You will find them everywhere.
Wow. Well, look at all these things. That's sick. Whoa, look at 3-day gorilla, 1,540. Fuck me. Jesus Christ, does the gorilla toss me off as well? Holy shit. Holy fuck.
I think he had gorilla for supper last
The
night.
fuck?
£1,500 to die.
Oh my god.
He had some gorilla stew last night.
No, that's a bit mad. AJ buys incoming max. What do you think? Yeah, I mean, I think I'm just gonna wait with this news, my man, because I have a feeling this may push AJ as well. We'll have to we'll see over here. We'll see the score. Let me just move my thing over here a little bit further. There we go. Oh, I got a kebab last night, man. I could just taste it. It's awful. It's awful.
Of course you did.
Just a little thing as well, guys. If you can get a message about scam accounts on Instagram, none of them will be. If they're messaging you, then about random stuff which looks like stop loss matters, it ain't me. So just be a little bit careful. Be a little bit cautious.
I think yesterday, I also got like a request yesterday.
Yeah.
And that was like, I think everything you updated on, you did the same thing.
That's mad. Oh, well, every single story. I did loads of stories
every
yesterday.
I think it was screen recording the shit out of you.
That's great. Imagine that on his weekend. My guy's just watching me, but he's like, "Can this guy shut the fuck up and stop doing these stories so I can relax?" So yeah, we'll see you over here. Let's see what GJ's gonna do. 30 seconds left for this news to come out. Hold your horses. We'll see what it's about to do over here. Let's take a look. Have to refresh the news as well. What bets? Where do people think it's gonna go? It's a bit too late for me to do a poll now. I was gonna do it, but you're gonna find out in about 30 seconds time. Okay, so looking like the sells are gonna come in. The sells are coming. You see over here with AJ, even though it's not directly affected, there's a little bit of volume with it. Looking like Goldie's pushing up a little bit. Nothing too much, nothing too mixed news. Gonna be choppy, yeah. That's what they expected, right? Kind of mixed bag of news. Let's take a look over here. Let's take a look. Let's take a look. Damn, all red. Oh, yeah. GDP minus 0.3. Oh, yeah. That ain't looking too good. That ain't looking too good. So maybe sells below. Could be kind of nice. Watching on Financial Juice. They've messaged me so many times. Anyone use Financial Juice? Because they've asked to do a page for me, but I never really heard of them. I kind of just left them. So break of the lows there, 18 pips. So that was okay. It wasn't the biggest kind of moves, but yeah. Max, do you have a built-in PC in your monitor, or is it a separate PC and separate monitors? Separate PC and separate monitors, my man. Yeah. Separate PC, separate monitors. Beautiful. So maybe flipping the daily over here. Financial Juice is quite big now. Nice. Maybe I should do something with them then. Yeah. I think they email me pretty much every day saying, "Hi, You haven't messaged us back yet, but we'd love to have you on. It's like, okay. Nice. So yeah, looking like GJ over here pushing back into this little zone over here. I don't want to be taking trades in this area. It's a bit nasty. It's a bit nasty, the zone. But sell's definitely below, gonna be good. My daily candles flipped. Yep. Mine's about to. But it's a little bit choppy here. There's a shitload of candles here. I've got a little gap on my daily, so yeah. So yeah, I think sells below 165,257 could be kind of nice. Let's take a look at Goldie. So you can see over here, AJ. Yeah, hasn't really continued, but yeah, buys above now on AJ could be kind of nice. Looking at Goldie. Made some support in that 50-minute time frame. This one's broken up. Very, very nice. Maybe to come back to 1869.5. Yeah. Crypto's melted. Yeah. Oh, yes. Yeah, so it's looking good. Looking good, man. Good daily time frame now. Yeah. Breaking the lows of previous dailies would be nice to continue bearish. To 164,439. Yeah, that would be nice. I think that would be nice. So yeah, we'll see. A lot of bearish momentum over here, looking good. So yeah. 4 minutes into the hourly candle, you can see the clear direction now, which is good to see. And yeah, we'll see what we can do over here for some sells, maybe. Let's just put this over here. Just getting a little signal ready so I can not running for it later on. So yeah. That was the move of the day. I think it's very early to say that, but it's the news of the day. That's what it is. It's the news of the day. Was all negative news? Yeah. So it should, you know, good that it's continued down. That's what it should be. So yeah, we'll see. Do you know Jeevan, who joins Raja in streams? He pays around 100k to get financial news before being released to the public. Ah. Very interesting. Is that Capital Hungry?
Yep.
Yeah. Yeah, I like him.
Yeah, he's very knowledgeable.
Yeah. Would you impulse entry or would you want a closure below, given that if news driven? I would like a closure. Yeah. Where would the retest be? Yeah, it's Sage's way. So yeah, we'll see. But it is looking good now. Nice bearish. I mean, here now, closure below. Did the 15 close below? Nah, it didn't. Yeah. Oh, look at Goldie again. See what I mean with them buys? It's just like, oh. They can work out, but you got to take your profits and you got to get out. Then you got to get out. Look at AJ over here. So there you go. I mean, it doesn't have a direct impact, but also the 15 didn't close above, right? So it's fair enough. In GJ sell since 165,700. Nice. You took the news candle. Beautiful. You took the news candle. Let's take a look on the 5-minute time frame over here. Yeah, nice. Beautiful. Filled that range up easy. Easy peasy. Closure on the 50-minute candle? Yeah, I think so. If it makes a nice top wick, even better. Even better. But yeah, that was kind of bad news, so it isn't looking good for the country. But we kind of expected that, to be honest. GDP minus 0.3%. Everything's down. Manufactured production 1% down. That's bad, man. That's real bad. Real bad. Is anyone else taking any trades this morning? Also, how many people were profitable last week? I think Friday, some people may have turned their profitable day into a negative day. GJ Daily Flip, would you take that, Max? Nope. Because where my stop's going to be, man.
I had one trade last week.
That's mad.
Yeah, fucking COVID. Yeah, but I did 2.3%, something like that.
Yeah, that's not bad, eh?
For a trade, I'm fucking happy. I'm not a negative week.
Yeah. Facts.
Sorry.
Oh, look at this. Wait, so this one does that way. What does this do? Oh no, they both do it. Just trying out my new mouse over here. Flipped a non-profit day Friday. Oof. Minus 2% drawdown last week. Yeah, that's fair enough. It's fair enough. Oh my god, GJ. Very nice. It's so bearish to look at the hourly time frame. Yeah, nice. It's looking good. Minus 1% last week. Yeah, a lot of people had some bad weeks last week, I think. There is a 25-second delay on stream. That's not too bad. 4% on funded account. Wow. It's pretty good. 50 likes, guys. Make sure to run up them likes, guys. We'll see what we can get over here. Looking like GJ is just fucking flying over here, but it's just news, so. What can you do? Please the top wick. Okay, mercy on us. Nice. I blown account last week. Oof. Account made 50% that Friday. It was a major risk of previous profits that worked out. Wow, nice. Very nice. So looking like coming towards the first target area already. So well done for people taking that news trade over here. Worked out nicely. You still think you're going for GJ? We'll see, we'll see. It's pushed quite a lot in this next zone over here, but we'll see what the score is. Maybe on the top wick. I was down 10% last week, but CPI News made 10% end of break even. Did everyone get in on that gold flip? I think everyone got in on that gold flip. I think that was the break of it, yeah. Everyone got in on the gold flips. But down 10%, that's quite a lot for the week, man. Down 10% is quite a big amount for the week. So even though you got saved, maybe, you know, make sure to go over why you lost that 10%. We'll have to wait for phase 3 in GJ? Yeah, maybe. Max, will you take sells if you get the retracement? It's gonna be hard, man. But maybe on the 5-minute time frames, we'll take a look when it happens, right? But I just want this closure first. Yeah. How much has it dropped since then? Let's take a look. 70 pips. Holy fuck. Oh my god. Oh my god. Max, what's the average percentage people are up in a week? What do you mean? Like, people who trade? People who trade, 90% of people lose, so 90% of people are minus. Linda missed a 300 move other day. Oof, missed it. How did she miss it? I saw she took the gold cells. They were nice. Yeah, that was fire. That was really clean. That was really clean, yeah. So, I mean, yeah, what you could do now is, I mean, this has pushed a lot, man. So the retracement's back to 257 could be okay. Then some resistance there to then continue back down. That could be nice. But yeah, GJ is melting over here. Straight melt. So yeah, I think I'm gonna probably wait for the gold to sell this a little bit later on, and see what the score is with GJ. But as you expected with the news, you know, it just it flies one way or the other. If you catch it, great. If not, then you gotta let it settle down again, and then, you know, it's still very, very early, right? We're nowhere near London Open yet. It's still got like 45 minutes, so it's got a lot of time to retrace and do its thing, or maybe just keep on pumping.
It's gonna pump, mate.
Yeah.
It's gonna pump.
Look at the daily time frame. Look at this daily. The 4 hour now. Oh, mate, if it comes back down to 164,400, that would be nice. Oh, I need.
Buy limit there.
Yeah. I need to move my charts scale, man. It's pushed down too much. I wonder why FOREX Factory labels this as a yellow low impact news. Well, the actual process, it's probably just looking at it and how much it moves on average, but right? So most times it doesn't move that much, right? But, you know, this time it did because the numbers are shit. So it just depends on what the numbers come out in. It's not the actual news event itself. It's just, you know, bad here, bad here, bad here, bad here. Every single one that they forecast that was going to be okay is bad. So, you know, it's just bad news. When should I take profits on this? Before you got into the trade, if you're in a trade, you should already know where to take profits. I think when this 50-minute closes, I think that's a great idea. So now, pretty much. That'd be a great area to take some off because there's some support here, 897, sorry. What does your XL look like from last week? I'll show you. Very boring, because last week was fucking boring. I literally was so bored of looking at barcodes all week. So last week started here, so 2 break even, 1 win, 1 loss. Loss was 6 pips and it was half risk because it's gold, and GJ was 10 pip win. Was lucky enough to get in on the top of that, had a sell stop below the wicks in the 15-minute. Oh my god, nice. Nice, Max. Why gold sells? Isn't it a safe haven? Nah, it's based on it's based on the way that prices already reacted to them highs over here. Look at the 4 hour, look how strongly bearish it is. This one should make the top wick and flip. Yeah. 15 top wick, yeah. It's just where your stop's gonna be, right? But if you can find a way to get in, I mean, yeah. What do you think, Bri? People ask. I think people are getting very enticed because there's no bottom wick.
Yeah, fair enough. And you add a key level 165, right? So it will react here. But I mean, people buying this big wick is dumb, I think.
No, I think they're wanting this to sell it again.
Oh yeah, but they also have to worry about the stop loss. That's the only thing.
Yeah, that's my only course of concern.
They're going to sell regardless, so worry about your stop.
Yeah. So right now, if you got in on the flip, that would be a 11 pip stop for maybe 11 pip gain, but the zone to the next support, which you can see on the left hand side, is quite small, right? So
I would have liked it if price closed below 165, but it's closed above.
Yeah. 165, big level, big psychological level as well. Yeah. Lol, Jason, my wife's kids, are they not your kids too? I just got baited out. Jason's wife's in the building. Max, how do you calculate the percentage gain when you close half and let the rest run to TP? I've done it like 15 billion times. I'll show you it later on. Yeah, Yeah.
Don't let me pull up like Will Smith. Get my wife's name out your mouth. I want to act like Will Smith now.
Acting like Will Smith. When was this? This is gold. This is very later on though, I think, isn't it? Yeah. These are the big spikes. These are the big spikes up and down. This is Raj's spies he's trying to take here, and then it finally worked out. I mean, you know, all this stuff here with these massive moves, yeah, it looks great, and someone caught it or whatever. But you know, how are you gonna get in at that time, man? It's later on. It's already rejected the highs as well, made some support, but yeah, nothing I can see. So making the top wick now. It could be flipping over here for me. I'm probably just going to wait a little longer, I think. Maybe till London Open to give me that extra push. Looking like it's going to flip now. So maybe you could paper trade it. Or some people will be in this over here now. So if you're getting on the flip, stop loss is 11 pips. Continue to the flip and down to the lows. Went down 6 pips. Back to entry. Looking like it may be okay over here if it breaks that low. Just made 5k in that new sell. Let's go. Nice. So there we go. If it breaks this low, it should come to at least 890. I know a lot of people are going to be in this flip over here. So I'd put stop loss to break even now if you got in here. Stop loss to break even. 8 pips profit. Especially when you know there's a big support there, wouldn't hold the bag, right? You hopefully get a push. If not, then it was a good opportunity. For me, the zone to the left was too close. Max, do you enter the close of the candle or the bottom of wick? It depends on each setup, my man. Depends where the stop is, right? It's not just a fixed thing. It depends where my stop is, where do I want my stop, all that good stuff. All that good stuff. So let's take a look on the 5 minute. How could you put your stops? I mean, the only thing you could have is used the previous 5 minute area here, which is still 20 pips. Yeah. The only reason why I say that is because your stop would be in the previous zone, which is, you know, safe. So I think people over here would have probably got break even there. Yeah. You gave it the opportunity, you gave it the chance. I think now holding this drawdown, if it comes and breaks that high, you're gonna be in a losing trade over here, and you don't want that. Break even, yeah, beautiful Samantha, yeah. I think that was nice. I think it was. You could catch little pips over here. Got to about 8 pips, but couldn't continue. It's fine. Break even hit for DC, yeah. Let's take a look over here, yeah. It was worth it because it was a nice top wick, but getting in on that top wick would be nice. It's just where would you have put your stops? That's the only issue. You don't know how much it was going to drive up. GJ looks like it's good traffic all the way down to 164. Yeah. I think we've got we got clean traffic all the way. Let's take a look too. I mean, the first level would be here, 164.446. And then furthermore, 164, yeah, flat. Nice. Yeah. Yeah, very nice. Londoners gonna be selling. Oh yes, when the London Open comes, I think maybe if he goes below 879. So let me just move this over here. 164.879 is gonna be nice. But hopefully you're retracing back to 230 to be honest, and then I may take sells there if you can get into a nice little entry. I think that would be reasonable. Take a look at gold now. Gold looking like it's making the stepping stones to continue up over here. It's holding this trend line quite well over here. Yeah. Holding the trend line quite a lot.
Yeah, I don't want to see that.
GJ, come on.
63 and 90 maxi.
Yeah, boy. It's holding it. It's holding it. Looking like it's going to come down now, so yeah, that's the thing with the impulses for taking the flips there. You don't want to take the drawdown. But yeah, looking like it's played out over here eventually, which is nice. So you would have hit TP1 just then. Right at 879. Beautiful. Aren't you selling on this 30 minutes? Nope, because you're right at support to the left hand side over here. I want it a little bit further below. Yeah, probably going to wait for the 8 o'clock candle. We'll see. I mean, if it closes below, then wicked. Maybe. Maybe. 58 likes, guys. Make sure to run up them likes. Let's try and get 100 likes before London Open. Zone 2 close plus move was already too much. Yeah, agreed. This is like the end of phase 1 I was talking about. Obviously, it's very, very early today, but yeah. One second. Why your next support is this? Because look, price is holding this level. So when you come down over here, price will hold this level as well, looking at the left hand side, okay? Why not this? What's the reason? Oh, this one here? Yeah, but we've already passed through it, right? We've already broken through it. But yeah, that also could be an indicator that could struggle there. But for me, it's mainly, let's take a look on the left hand side, I'll show you. On the 50-minute time frame over here, we already closed below it, I think. Let's take a look. Yeah, we already closed it below it. 165.020. We already closed below it. So yeah, and the support over here, if we break the support, then we should continue down. I would do it on, if you're looking to take trades from there to there, then amazing, but the easier ones are going to be a little bit lower down, right? Max, are all streams going to start early? When there's opportunity, right? When there's opportunity. Today I like the charts, so I came on. Yeah, but it depends on the charts, right? We'll see the score. So Jace, are you here, Jace? I think don't think he's here. It's had 3 touches now, so if this candle closes below here, are the sells going to be in play for Jace? I think they are. Yes. Because it'll be the break of the trend line now.
Yeah, so he'll be waiting for that.
Yeah. Yeah, boy. Something I may look into as well if he keeps on doing it, because the overall trend right now is bearish in the past couple hours. The 4-hour time frame very, very bearish previous, so this is making the top wick. If I can get in on the flip, which would be here as well, yeah, that could be an opportunity that I may look for. That could be an opportunity. I hope people closed 10 pips over here if they actually did hold the bag, because look where it's tapped, right as support. So don't be greedy. Take that money and leave, boy. Where is Sashin? Sashin's probably not even up yet because he's a lazy sod. Is he even in here? No, he's not even in. Sashin's been drinking, man. Sashin's been drinking. 353 people in here. Amazing work. So coming towards London Open in about half an hour time. Excited for it. So there we go. Just be careful of the FOMO. The FOMO trades start here, right? This move has happened. If you got in here with the news, amazing. If you trade the news, beautiful. But just be careful in these areas. You gave it the opportunity there, top wick and then the flip. But now it's starting to react on this level. Try not to take these sells. Wait for something more. Maybe wait for some retracement, then some bearish closures there. anything like that. Anything like that. So yeah. Last week gold did the same all time with the trend line breaks in the range. Yeah. I'm gonna keep an eye on that, I think, later on. I think. Let's take a look. What's your trading view margin levels on? What do you mean, my man? I have no idea what you mean. Margin levels? Here we go, the retracements. Very nice. For later on, then drive down again, maybe? Or price could maybe close back in this area and then fill the zone up and maybe retrace this whole news channel. I highly doubt that, but maybe there. Alternative view in gold, it's creating support to continue bullish. Only one bearish 4-hour candle after big 400 pip move push on Friday. Yeah. Just where would you get in though, right? I mean, maybe a closure above. That could be easy for you. Yeah. You have a nice closure in the 30-minute time frame. Is this on GJ? Oh yeah, GJ. Looking for sells on GJ. Yeah, amazing. Go for it. Go for it. I like how it's reacted right off my support over here. It's looking like price action is looking good today. We're respecting zones, zone to zone. It's a good start to the week. Yeah. If there was a retest area that I could potentially get in here, I would do, but for me, there's nothing there, right? I like it when there's easy structures there to retest. The retest would be all the way, up there or even like here, so it's too far away. You don't know how far price is going to push up. You never know. Yeah, it would be nice for a retest on GJ for London Open before more sells. Yeah, it'd be beautiful. Would you prefer to look for continuation for sells to correct Friday's move, perhaps? Yeah, I think buys on gold are gonna be nice, but it'll be above 1869 for me. Yeah, 1869, I think. I'm gonna watch this Goldie over here, because damn, if this closes below, I may trick my first Jason trade. Oh, people wanting to look at my charts over here. Yeah, so it's this. These are my zones, my chart settings. 30-minute close bearish, GJ top wick flipping. Let's take a look. Look at the 30-minute. Yeah, it's nice, man. It's nice. It's just the stops for me. Where are the stops gonna be, boy? Where are your stops gonna be? That's the one thing, man. That's the one thing that puts you off, or puts you into a trade. It's where your stop's gonna be. The whole reason for my name Stop Loss Mars is because it really does, right? You don't know where you're gonna put your stops here. I don't know either. So if you have no real correct way of placing your stops somewhere, then it's just guessing, right? It's just guessing. 5-minute possible sells in gold. Yeah. Interesting. Flipping the 4-hour as well, it will be. How much would stops be? 13 pips. We'll see. We'll see what we can do. Hello, Jace.
Okay, so still 3 minutes to go. I hope it doesn't run off without me. So
Yeah.
I'm looking for that break below the 5-minute support, break of structure of the trend line, and 4-hour flip.
Yeah. Yeah, boy. Me too. I may take a first Jason trade over here. I like how it's with the 4-hour flip as well.
Yeah, me too. But we have to wait for that closure though.
Oh yeah, boy. Don't you worry about that. Don't you worry about that. Take a look at some questions here as well. Yeah, bro. Since when did you trade full time? Asked like August, July of last year. Yeah, August, July. Appreciate you responding to my comments. Thanks, no bother, my man. Anytime you ask, it's all good. The more questions, the better. Helps everyone out, right? Just to look at the 15 now. Yeah. Stop losses on the previous 5-minute now are going to be 17 pips. 17 pipperoonies. Can I sell gold now? Shortly. God, what is these comments? Retest 1864. Yeah. Yeah. That'd make the stops 10 pips. Should be 1863.09. Get up more, bitch. Are you getting in now, JC boy? Kind of want a bit of a bigger top wick, fortunately for me. Stops on 19 pips, kind of beefy for the 5 minutes, so I kind of want to see price retrace to 1864 first, but it may just run off without me, but I'm fine with that as well. So we could paper it as well. So if you got in over here, stop loss would be above. See how that plays out, but I'm going to wait a little longer for a bit more of a retracement, but it may just continue down over here.
There's a high probability that Jason probably is in that already.
Yeah. I know him too well. He'd be like, BAM!
No, not me.
Really?
Yes, he is. Yes, he is. Yes, he is.
He's talking bullshit. He's in that.
Yeah.
Come with your trickery here, Jason.
Yeah, the next comment is stop loss to break even, bro.
I can't believe it, guys. I don't believe it.
Classic.
What are you waiting for? If you're not in then, Jace, why are you not in? Tell me why.
Because the 5 minute is an untested area, so I wanted to retest that area.
Yeah.
I want to get in on the retest.
You want to get in on the retest?
Yes.
Yeah, because then he stops would make more sense. Right?
Yeah.
Hey, are you guys happy? Check, I'm not in that trade. I'm waiting, like you guys. Cowboy stuff here.
Now I'd make your stops. Yeah, I'd make your stops over here kind of nice. 10 pips. 10 pepperonis. Let's take a look. Can we not get some Nicki Minaj? The music is not helping the vibe, lol. Nicki Minaj. Nicki Minaj in the building. Let's look at the 15. 2 minutes left for this candle over here. GG on the 30-minute flips. Take a look. Yeah, go for it. I mean, your stop loss now is going to be on the current candle high, which is like 13 pips, I think. Yeah, you could go for that if you want it, for sure. I'm just going to wait for London Open, I think. Looking like it worked nicely there. Yeah, I think gold's going to go over here. But hasn't retested that area yet. A minute left as well, not the best candle for it. I wanted a nice top wick and then the flip over here. Didn't really give me that. I still think, you know, it's still under the level. As long as it closes below, it's fine. But so what would you do in this instance then, Jace?
I would just wait, you know. I will wait for, like, we basically engulfed that entire 5-minute range. So if I check the time of the candle, it could still retest and push down. So now I'll be looking at the possible salary. So now I would also check the other time frames. So I would check my 15. There's a 50 closing window as well. So yeah, things are looking good still, man. What to?
Looking good, bro.
So, couple of seconds. I might get it on the doji. Well, so if this candle even closes the doji, I would think that sell.
Yeah.
Brian's speaking.
Brian's gonna talk about the doji.
First, Brian, the doji's power.
I kind of want Price to come and retest that area, but so I might stay out of this. But I'll watch it. No top wick on the 5-minute. I learned a lot from. I think you meant Donvo, Raja, Banks, and you. Oh, amazing! It feels amazing to be in that conversation with the boys. All we're trying to do, provide some value, some good content, not some flexy crap, just some nice vibes. That's all we're wanting. And that's all you're gonna be getting. Yeah, I've also I spoke to Wix Bry.
Oh yeah.
About what you're saying. And I said, yeah, I was thinking through the weekend. I'm just gonna be more like Wix, because when he dealt with that on his stream, it was so nice.
I just heard it, and I was like, oh, what did this guy say? Then I tried to find it, and I was like, oh, where is this flipping thing, man? So then I rewatched it, I think like twice, and then I was like, when I watched it for the third time, I was like, oh, that's what they're I was like, what's this guy saying? Maybe he's had too many doobies already.
Nah, I get what he meant though, man.
Yeah.
Not enough Rolexes on stream must be bad at trading. I know, man. It sucks. I need to get some Rolexes in this bitch. Did anyone take that 30-minute flip? So, I mean, how did the 15 look as well? The 15 had both rejection wicks. It was reasonable enough. Reasonable enough. Hi sir, how you mark your 4-hour flip? You just go on the 4-hour and put it on the flip. Put the line on the flip. That's all you do. That's all you do. Yeah, I took it. Took 11 and runners left. Beautiful, my man. Well done. Well done for going for it. How much did you make before you started trading full time? Do you mean from like past jobs? Or just like in general? The proof of a good trader isn't a Rolex but a platinum rapper's grill. On some gangster shit. How much it stops now in GJ? Yeah, big. Yeah, that 30-minute would work quite nicely in hindsight, but let's take a look on the 3-minute time frame. Yeah, rejections there already. The 3-minute has those nice little rejection wicks. Beautiful. Oh, in trading before I went full time. Well, I had a beefy account before I even started going full time. Yeah, I'd say like 50 grand. So it's still quite a bit, and that took me like a year to make through funded talent. So yeah. Come on, retest, bitch. 50-minute time frame over here, closing bearish. 30-minute time frame closing in 16 minutes, but it's rejected them highs pretty nicely. My only issue now is this it now. I'm still following the trend, right?
That won't be it, because you need a first and a second, right? The third is the one that makes sense. So your first and second needs to respect.
We'll see what happens when it comes back up over here, right? 1863.9. You did funded talent max? Yes, for like 10 months. Max, I got in the 30-minute GJ flip, secured 15 pips. Amazing. Well done for doing it. Well done for going for it. Yeah, those rejection wicks, I suppose, were a good indication. Looking at the lower time frames as well. Good for people taking it. I think I just want the London Open to give me that extra little push over here. That's so funny. Saturday I had a dream that I clicked open position by accident on my magic keys and on a gold news candle and blew my account. Worst nightmare ever. Imagine. Oh my god, the pain. I might check my MetaTrader in the morning. That's great. That's mad. Sold GJ 165, 116, took 90% off profit, left 10% runner. Good lad. Very, very nice. Great work. Looked like a lot of people over here took their time. They waited patiently. They didn't get in on these candles. They waited for the retests and then maybe getting in on that flip over here, which is also the 30-minute flip. Yeah, that was decent. Well done, though. Well done for not getting trapped in this little booby trap over here. Waiting for the retest. What a nightmare, isn't it? Oh my god, I'd be crying. I'd be crying. What's the deal with funded? You're not allowed to trade within 5 minutes of the news coming out? I have no idea. I think it's dependent on what...
Yeah, it's depending on the news, and they send you an email, I think, a day before if you can trade or not.
Ah, did they? That's interesting. Oh, look at that retest.
Not all the news, just the big one.
Yeah. Yeah. Gonna wait for this 5 minutes to close bearish, I think. On Goldie. Yeah, it depends on the prop firm. Depends which prop firm. Look at that retest. Oh my god, how delicious. 50-minute close bearish, nice top wick. Did you get in there, Jason? Not.
I'm in, my man.
That's sick.
Stop playing with me.
Stop. Oh, what a fucking retest that was. I was waiting for this 5 minute to close and be left behind, boy. Wow, that was so nice. Look at that. Literally tapped it to the T. Beautiful.
Up 9 pips.
Have you got break even?
Yeah.
Nice. Nice. To be fair, if I got in there, let's take a look now. Yeah, and then you could stop. It's gonna be in. Oh fuck! I could have put it on the previous 15. Yeah, shit. I was waiting for the extra 5 minute. It's left me. It's left me. Man, that works so well though, man. We've seen that like 4 times now the past week. It's a fucking piece of piss.
Check in the group, Max. Check in the Telegram.
Jace. Tasty. Very nice.
You know?
Because it wasn't perfect and I haven't done it yet, I wanted it to be perfect on this channel here. So, but it was nice though. I like the
When
retest.
is it ever perfect? That's the thing.
Oh, a lot of the times. Last
Yeah,
week
but it's
was.
always going to look different. That's the
Yeah.
thing.
That was nice,
You
man.
could have had another small doji candle there. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
You could have had another bear, another bigger bull. You know what I mean? It could have done anything, right?
15 pips, nice. 10 pips stop, beautiful. Should come down over here to 1860.74. Beautiful. God, it does love them zones like gold, doesn't it, on the 5 minute? It's nice though, because you'd want to kind of enter on this 15 anyway, but it's just getting on the top wick there. Ah, beautiful. Beautiful to see. Let's take a look over here. Thank you, Jason. I took this nice Tommy boy. Yeah, nice work, Jace. Nice work. Jason enters a mixed markets move. Do you wait that closure or you enter the impulse entry? Yeah, you enter on the top wick impulse entry here. It's just a new thing we've been looking at. So if this doesn't make any sense, don't worry about it. It's just what we've been looking at. Price breaks out of structure, comes retest that area, which always happens, especially on gold, and then continues down after breaking the closure of the trend, breaking below it. So nice to see it again, though. Beautiful. Gold can go 1835 if 1 hour break support. 1835? Fuck. 1835? Shit. 1835's down here. God dang. I mean maybe for the next couple of days or so, but that's like 300 pips away, right?
Yeah.
But if you hold the trades for more than a couple of days, then yeah, maybe we'll have to see. So now let's just take a look, right? So I'm just gonna go through this, right? So if I took that sell there with stop loss above the previous 15 high, which is there, price came in when it broke those lows there, stop loss to break even, and then taking positions off probably there, 15 pips to start off with, yeah, and then maybe leaving a runner to. I wouldn't even leave it to there because when it breaks 1860, it could continue down. So maybe leaving the runner quite far down.
Yeah, also that's the support area, so I close full position at that support.
Yeah.
Because check what happened. Look at that rejection over there at that area. So yeah, I know it's the 5, but usually it's the same instance. If you take a trade and you see clean candles to the left, clean candles to the right, you basically take it off that. So now, if we do close below that support to the left, we will basically mirror that down there.
Yeah.
So, yeah,
Nice, man.
tasty.
That was nice. If you guys learn a little bit over here, looking at that new entries, we're going to be going through these every single morning on gold because I think they work enough for me to actually put them in now, and it's actually better than waiting for the closures. Because what seems to happen with gold is the 50-minute, you wait for a 50-minute closure below, and the motherfuckers already ran 30 pips. You're like, oh man, look on the 5-minute, and there's these little entries that you can get in, back in the zone before it starts pushing.
It's just break a structure. That's all it is.
Yeah, it's nice. It's nice to see it though. It's pretty much every time it works well.
Yeah.
And your risk to reward on it is good, and your win rate's good, so it's perfect, right? So yeah, we'll introduce this every single day for the squad over here, and then we'll start executing. But yeah, nice to see it. Did you take that gold trade? Nope. But Jace did, and Jace pretty much broke it down for everyone over here, waiting for the retest over here.
You almost triggered it.
I almost did, to be honest with you. I almost did, and I didn't know that I could put my 50-minute stop loss above the previous. If I knew that, I would have taken it, I think. But to be honest with you, when it's new, you know, I like seeing it more and more, and then, you know, I will execute eventually. It's good to see it, man. AJ coming down as well. Yeah, below a 94,353. This should be good. This week, question mark? What, will I take that trade this week? Yes. I think I've seen Jason laugh too much for me to not be in it. It's pissing me off now, so yeah. Oh, yo, bro, 50 pips card, yeah! Scott did a great impression before. I can't do it. That was a great impression before. Max, with the new retest strategy and break of trend line, would you doing half risk to trail it out a few times? Yeah, I'll do a small lot, I think, at the start. Yeah, just getting used to it, right? I mean, this new setup you talk about? Yeah, I'll do it this week. If you see that again, I'm fucking definitely executing on it. I'm not letting Jason laugh without me be laughing as well. It's pissing me off. But yeah, make sure to go also on my Instagram, guys. If you guys haven't checked it out, make sure to go check it out, because I posted a video of this little retest that we've been looking at. One of my trades last week that I took, actually it wasn't last week, or maybe the week before I think, of me taking 13 pips, but now this new method over here, I got 25 pips. It's on the same candle, it's just getting in a little bit lower on the retest instead of getting in on the flip. So yeah, make sure to go watch this video, break it down on how I get in. It's exactly the same. The retest is exactly the same as you normally take with our trade entries, so closures above and below. It's just getting in on the top wick or the bottom wick instead of getting in on the flip, pretty much. Jason is really Daffy Duck pretending to be South African. Oh my god. Max, usually you've just discussed about this 5-minute breakout setup around 7-8 AM. Will it work only on that time, or have you checked other times? Well, we've only really checked it when we trade, right? So it's between, you know, 7 till 9:30 and then 11:30, 12 o'clock till 2 UK time. So they're the times that we've seen it work. But Jace, have you seen them work in other times? It's just break a structure, right? So it's pretty self-explanatory, right?
Yeah, the thing is this.
Need volume.
I'm not bothered about the other times, because on the 5-minute it's quicker.
Yeah.
So I'm in and out. So who's the one to spin? So the higher the time frame, the longer you're gonna have to wait for confirmation, etc.
Yeah. Look at that. You still be balls deep in this. Like, hell yeah.
That's also the salary.
Yeah.
See the,
should continue down now.
It will definitely continue down.
1860.6 would be nice. Beautiful work, man. Very nice. Beautiful. Yeah, I think we should probably go over this in the simulation this week. I think that'd be kind of fun. 8 AM candle is lovely for GJ. Yeah.
The simulation you did the weekend was, yeah, it was literally this, Max. It was,
yeah,
the only thing you didn't have the breakup structure in there, but concept, like, I watched it and I was speaking to Brian. I was like, man, this is like, it's amazing, you know. And obviously, you just getting more arsenal in, man. You're going to hold more weapons, basically. So yeah, you basically get many things. That is it. You just it's for me personally, it's just more education at the end of the day. And like you're saying, the more you see it, the more comfortable you get. That's the only, you need to see it. You need to see it play out more, etc. So that's the only way you can like implement it. You know
exactly. I mean? Just see it out play.
The simulation was, You know what? Like the one that you posted when everything was with us, like the 4 hour, the 1 hour.
Yeah.
So even imagine it's like that. Yo, even better, man. You know what I mean? So
Yeah.
obviously it's not always gonna. But like if all that confluences are there, oh man.
It's tasty. Look at that GJ. Oh, who got slapped in over here? Oh, they're like, it's breaking the lows. It's going to be 8 o'clock. I'm going to take a buy. I'm going to take a sell, sorry. Oh, no. Oh, someone didn't wait for the closure over here and they've just got slapped 22 pips in the space of 3 minutes. Max, if possible, do a simulation for only celery. Yeah, sure. Took a sell, 18 pips. Ooh, where did you get in, Tribute? Did you get in here on the 30-minute flip there?
Probably the celery, yeah.
Look at Goldie come out, beautiful. So that was the trade of the day. Oh man, it is nice, man. It's nice. It's nice. It's very nice. So coming down over here, for me, I'd probably close. I mean, you know, you could actually run this if this comes below, man. Shit, that could be kind of nice. But I think TP2 for me. So I'd close, you know, 80% of 15 pips, and then the rest probably down here, yeah, 30. So let's just take a look, right? Theoretically, is there going to be anything for me right now? Probably not yet. Probably in an extra 15 minutes. Yeah. So let's just go through this over here. Obviously we haven't taken this, but I'm just going to show you what it would look like percentage-wise. So if it was gold, blah. I'll just skip this half. Closed 80% at 15, and then close full. Let's just see. Theoretically, it gets down to, what was it? 29? Was it 20 pips? Sorry. Like 30 pips. Okay. So 30 pips, and then let's get the calculator up. So someone who asked about how to calculate percentages, this is how you do it. Watch me. So 80% of 15, so you do 15 times 0.8 plus 30 times 0.2. So that's the true value, which is 18 pips. So you go here, 18 pips, and then I drag this over here. 1.26%. Nice. So 1.26%, and you risked 0.7. So that was nice, man. Let me just delete that before people get aggy with me. There we go. Nice. GG, 1 hour great setup for sells. I don't think so. It always looks nice in the hourly, but look at the 30 and look at the 15. Look at the 30-minute time frames.
So I think 1 hour is obviously going to make the top week right now. So whoever's still in, I hope you secured some positions.
Oh, it's in gold.
But
Yeah.
Do you see that? Do you see on gold the 5 minute also another untested over there? Do you see that? So we've broken below. We've retested it, and we're retesting it now again.
Yeah.
You see that?
Yeah.
Just draw a yeah there.
Yeah. If this comes and flips over here, it could be nice. Yeah. Let's take a look at GJ. GJ's flipping the hourly. Nice rejection wick. The only issue is the 30-minute looks fucking disastrous as well. Stop loss would be 16 pips in the hourly flip. 1 hour was perfect retest. Yeah, go for it. I think it could be nice now. Nice rejection, but for me, them 30-minute candles closing like this would be a little bit scary. And I may just wait for this next 15 to close, I think. What do you think, Bri? Do you agree? A little bit lower? Are you getting in on the hour?
Word scary.
Yeah.
Me.
Yeah. Those 30-minute candles here look a little. Yeah. Even though the hourly, I can see what people like here. Look at the hourly, nice, but like, yeah, the 30-minute.
Also, like, if you should ask yourself, what did I do wrong in this trade? There's so many facts. There's so many things that, like, that is garbage over there.
Yeah.
Honestly.
Looking like it's gonna work out. 12 minutes left for this closure below, and then hopefully we can continue the sells over here. yeah, this 50-minute time frame looks a little bit choppy over here, so I'm happy to leave that out. But it looks like the hourly actually worked over here. Nice. So you had a 16 pip stop, 15 pip gain. $165,075. A sell stop. Oh, we got in here on the flip. Yeah. Nice. There's 12 minutes left for this closure, and we should be good. We should be good. How's gold done over here? Came back up. It came back up. So yeah, 12 minutes left for this. Let me just take a look over here. People who got in on the hourly flips, make sure to close some profits, because this could easily just whip back up over here and reject the lows. You know, always take profits, right? Don't be sitting there holding the bag like people are with crypto right now. Take your money. Take your money. What's an onion setup? Onion is support forming. So if you look, what we have an onion play is support forming or resistance forming. So something like this, like that. Yeah. Or this. Yeah. And there you go. When I would have got stopped out over here. Beautiful. Very nice. Beautiful. Well done, Jace. I think everyone liked watching that over here. Start to finish. Talked about it. Why the veg names? Can't we just call it support forming? Yeah, we can. It's just controller calls it. So I call it celery play because it just rolls off the tongue. It's nice, but yeah, they're the ones that just say support forming and stuff. Yo, bro, do you use percentage risk or fixed lot size? Fixed lot size, but I know what percentage it is, so it's kind of the same thing. Yeah, fixed lot. I want to know people getting on the hourly flip there. Hopefully you've closed something. You really should have. 5 minute close bearish, so yeah, it should be good to continue down. 10 minutes left. 10 minutes left. So how much would it be on the break of the lows over here? 877. That could be pretty reasonable as well. Because would that be breaking hourly lows? Yeah. Yeah. How much would your stops be? Meaty. Meaty. So it'd be like 870, getting like 870 over here. 9 minutes left. DCI sell stops 840. 840? Ooh, a bit further down over here. $840. What was your max stop loss in pips for GJ and gold? GJ is 12 pips and gold is 20 at the moment. Yeah. Looking like we're coming down over here. Yeah, this is gonna be nice, man. So impulsives, breaks of the lows could work as well. 8 minutes left for this candle to close. I'm probably just gonna wait for the candle to close. Yeah. Wait for the candle to close. Let's take a look at what gold did now. Yeah, so gold closed bullish over here. Nice, but move is done, completed, very easy. Easy that I didn't get in. Hope you get a 30-minute closure under 880 for strong confirmation. Yeah, we'll have to see, you know. I do think if it's going to break this low, it's going to continue down for sure. Nice retest there as well. It's just same like the 30 close like this. Take a look at the hourly as well. Yeah, hourly looks nice. Hourly looks good. If it does break it. Wow, Goldie coming up over here. So, is there a 5-minute trend line that we can break? Not really. Not really. So AJ as well, waiting for the closures below. We'll see what we can get. If we can get them later on, maybe. It's only 8 o'clock. We've got a lot of time left. 2,000 views already. Amazing work today, guys. Make sure to like the stream as well. Beautiful, broken down that gold trade on the 5-minute. Yes, it's a new concept, so if you guys didn't get it or a bit confused, don't worry, we're going to go through it every single day now because it seems to work very nicely. It seems to work very, very nicely. Let's take a look. Bright, is Sash actually in here? Yeah, let's take a look.
I don't think he's in
No,
yet.
he's not. Are you looking for anything? You got
What's the question?
Have you got anything you're looking at? Or
Nah,
still
mate,
the
this
same?
studios, it's cack.
Yeah. Oh yes. I just hope you'll took the fucking profits of it. They must have though. It came down a lot, so the hourly did work out. Just take a look at gold and the hourly now. Yeah, last one closed bearish, making a top wick. Hasn't broken the high of the previous yet, so yeah. Yeah, go back over here. Let me actually change this. I'm sick of this one. Let me just do this one over here now. A little bit of jazz now. You guys hear? Can you guys hear this? Yeah, you can. I want to know, is Vincent in here? Because Vincent may have taken that gold. Vincent's not in yet. Maybe a little bit busy today. So yeah, waiting for a closure still. See what we can get, but as I say, you know, we've still got a lot of time. Let me get there over here. I want to see the Bitcoin chart over here. Oh, I'm so glad I sold, man. Every time I think about it now, I'm like, oh, amazing. Okay. Oh, no, no, no. I would love to see someone do, like, market analysis on this. Like, oh, no. Let's take a look to the left-hand side over here. Clean candles till 22,687. That's the next level of support, so that's probably where price is going to continue down to. If you get a 4-hour closure below previous 4-hour support, I think we got a pretty easy day. Yeah. Agreed. I love jazz because I can impress the ladies with my stellar air piano skills. Gold may range till PPI. Let's take a look. Is that today? FOMC, someone's speaking as well. Let's take a look tomorrow. Yeah, PPI tomorrow. PPI is normally the boring one. Never really runs for me. Never really like it too much. So yeah, 3 minutes left. See if we can get this closure. If not, we'll probably have to wait for the 30 minutes, which I'm happy with, to be honest. That's okay as well. Kind of happy with that. I mean, sell stops here could work. I mean, they could work kind of nicely, right? If you wanted to breaks. Kind of the same as what happened last week. It was kind of ranging for a while, breaks the lows and continues. So it could be worth it. It's just your stops. You got to kind of manage your stops accordingly, right? You got to manage your stops.
Yeah, because again, we've got clean traffic, but we're just hovering here at 165.
Yeah. Makes sense why it's hovering there. Yep. If you had to guess where price is going to hover around, it's going to be the full number, right? 165. And I think people forget also, like 165, like flat. You need to think about people who are actually trading this as a government, as a bank, etc. You know, it's easy to price in what you want to trade with. You just go, yeah, I want to trade till 165. I want GJ to come to 165. It's just a whole number. So it shouldn't be shocked that it ranges on whole
Major
numbers.
key levels price will always battle up.
Yeah. It's only when someone goes, you know what, actually I kind of want, I don't want GJ at 165 now, I want 164, 750, and then it starts moving.
Yeah.
It's very dumbed down, but yeah, that's kind of the situation.
You can have the cleanest traffic. If you've got a key level in between that candle, it's going to stuff around.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Hourly looks good though, still to continue. But we just need a closure below 165, then we can go.
Yeah. Exactly.
Which we've gotten on 15, but it's just higher.
Yeah. Just a little higher over here.
30 high time frame needs a closure.
Yeah. Don't want to get caught in that again like the fucking gold trade last week. Gold last week was next level, wasn't it?
Happens to the best of us, mate.
That was next level last week, gold. It just didn't do anything. Until the news came in and shoom! And it started rocketing. Then it started flying. Champion back for London session now. Oh, nice. Why did he go away? What was the reason? Is he streaming? Let's take a look. Let's take a look at some streamers over here. Ah. Oh, line up the gold cells. Yes, very nice. Beautiful. Go share some love to Champion Pips over here. And DC. Let's take a look at DC over here. People say that he's got a little cell stop on, which is nice. Let's take a look over here. Why is my screen just gone poo? Oh my god, give this resolution up, man. Jesus Christ. 5 wins, 3 losses, 4 break even. Beautiful. Yeah, EJ's been nice actually. EJ's been pretty good. I've liked it. He's probably lost a lot. Maybe. Don't know. Is this news a little bit loud? Who is DC? Just another streamer. Another streamer. He's very, very nice. He's got a nice smile and he's good education. I feel all of the streamers, all streamers now, who are like, trading kind of the same. They're all pretty good, right? All very nice people as well. So share the love. Music is too loud, bro. I think I've changed it now. It should be okay now. So yeah, GJ's just fucking around, right? Let's take a look at the 5-minute in gold now. Yeah, interesting. Closures below 1860.7 would be nice. Nice. I think someone said in the mentorship that they live right next to DC. That's sick. My guy can hear him in his bedroom like next door. That's sick. Yeah, it's here, yeah. DC in the building. Okay, so looking like GJ over here, maybe continuing up. No bottom wick though on the 15 yet, so have to see. So you can see over here, if you're not careful enough, this is the area that you can get twatted on, right? You can also get 10 pips, but you can also lose 10 pips. So this squad, if you look at the last webinar, even though it's kind of like in one session, this is phase 1, this is phase 2. So you have to be cautious on wait for retracements of bearish signs, then ride it back down to the lows. This is the FOMO area that you can maybe win and lose a lot of trades in this area. think the hourly one was okay, actually, to be honest, because there's a nice top wick and then it flips straight away. It's rejecting quite hard, so that was kind of nice. But for me, the zone was just a little bit too shitty. It's starting to turn into a supermarket barcode over here.
Yeah.
That's always never a good sign. I think the stream, the journals that I put when there was a big ass barcode, yeah, I pretty much lost most of them. So when I see a barcode, man, I leave it alone. This goal looks good to continue down, man. I'm not gonna lie. It's made the top wick now. The hourly time frames came up. It's got no bottom wick. It looks good. Looks good. Let's take a look who else is on over here while we're waiting patiently. See if Dr. Dollar's streaming.
They said that?
That guy's waiting for GJ as well. We're all sitting, hands on our asses, just waiting. Waiting patiently. How's it? How's Naz? Not Naz. Yeah, how's Naz, Bri? Is it moving?
Have a look. It's made a huge gap from Asian.
Really?
Like literally the biggest gap I've seen on an embassy. It's made one last night, and it's just done.
Oh man,
That's not good, man. Look at the gap.
Yeah.
So check at that gap on like the 15th.
Oh my god. Shit.
That's crazy, man. It's a fucking mess.
See, that there puts me off holding trades in the weekend. I know this is Nas, it's a bit more exaggerated, but fuck, imagine that if you were in a buy, right, for some retarded reason, like here.
Well, you see, everybody's gonna start buying to fill that gap. You see, that's the problem, and it's gonna drop more, and it's gonna take everyone out.
Yeah.
It's just a fucking mess, man.
But imagine though, before bed, you go, oh, I'm just gonna hold this on because it's good support over here. Put stop loss to break even, so I think I'm okay here. And then it opens up, and you're there. Oh my god!
Imagine how much your stop loss would have been slipped.
Well, yeah, it would have been caught out there, right? I'm pretty sure because the gap opens there. You'd have lost, 200 pips, and the thing was actually break even. That's why I'd never leave a trade on the weekend because you don't know what's gonna go on, man. And one little fuck up, like, if you... I know it doesn't happen most times. Imagine if you've just got a break your trade and then GJ gaps like 200 pips. Oh my god. You've just lost like 20%.
Naz's fake outs must stop and the gaps must stop. That's the biggest thing for me now. The gaps must stop, and I'm tired of fake outs.
Yeah.
Tired of it. The risk becomes too big, and it's an absolute dog show.
Yeah. Osman, another 20 pips in the gold retest. Oh, you took another retest up here. Thing is, that for me now, there wasn't a retest because there's no untested area. It hasn't broken out or anything. The retest was actually there on this one, so. But I mean, it worked out for you, so well done. Come on, GG, get your ass down.
Yeah, my target was Asian lows, but that support, like, we were bound to have a retracement. They also, if you draw support on the 5, we had a fake out over there on the 5, so price closed below, closed above, so that basically pushed us up.
Yeah.
Like, if you should just draw your support, and we just, like a normal support there at a weak area. Let me just annotate, like, for your support, like so through there. You see, so that's how fella shit.
Yeah. Fake out. Yeah, boy. Oh, it retested the trend line. Ah, my guy liked the trend line retest. My guy got in again. Nice. Well done for looking at it. 5-minute trend line. Beautiful. Come on, GJ. You've rejected it enough now. Pick your direction, bitch. Pick your direction in 8 minutes time, please. So man, like people who've got some big ass money, right, and they've got money in investments like, you know, US30, all that kind of stuff, S&P, and then they've also got crypto. Oh my god, their accounts right now are like they're like, shit. I wish I just bought a house. I wish I just put it in a house.
Put it there.
Now I'm sitting here waiting for price to go back up. Oh, that's the worst feeling. It's funny though when you all hear them, like I see like podcasts and they go, oh well yeah, hopefully we'll react here. It's like, you're fucking hoping. There's no guarantee. You're sitting here like, shit. Please Bitcoin, get back up. I watched a podcast about one of the guys who sold like it was on Impulsive. He sold like NFTs, but he's actually like a really good artist, and he sold it for like 60 million. But he said like, obviously, yeah, like this guy, it's really good actually. Watch this one, it's pretty good. But he said like, obviously, it came in ETH, right? So every time you checked his account balance, it would like fluctuate in millions. He said like one day, like 1 hour he'd look and it'd be like 1 million up, and the next one would be 2 million down. He's like, oh my god, he realized, God, I gotta take this motherfucker out. That is mad. That, I mean, even my mate has a couple of Bitcoins, and like you look at his, you look at his like equity, and it just fluctuates so much. Yeah. They've been selling for some months now and investing in bonds, trying to lose as less as possible against inflation. Yeah. Oh, they'll always have something up their you know, up their sleeve if they're that wealthy. But it's like the middle ground. It's the people who have like a bit of money but not too much, and they've just put their money in, and they're trying to hold the bag, and it's not looking too good for them at the moment. Is that Asian lows, or is Asian lows? Price comes and breaks them Asian lows. That could be kind of interesting. Can I put an alert on here? I kind of want to put an alert on. Oh fuck. Let me just move this over here. Where is it? 94000. Yeah, I want to get this alert. I want to see this over here. The trades you took this month, only 3? No, I've taken 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. Last week was very, very slow, and the weeks before was bank holiday, so yeah. Yeah, boy. Yeah, Milan. Gold looks good. Let's take a look. Oh yeah, gold's coming back down over here. Interesting. 30 minutes time. Sorry, 4 minutes for the 30 minute to close. The hourly's looking nice. It's flipped to drive down potentially. Yeah. Looks pretty good. I'm gonna quickly go to the toilet, so I'm ready for half past. But looking like GJ now has. It's potentially breaking the 50-minute highs and rejecting that level. So interesting. Gonna quickly run over here because maybe gold might be kind of nice over here. One sec. So, nice strong ass candle. A nice strong ass candle. So hopefully this next candle can make a nice top wick for me. Where would you get in on the top wick? You'd get in here, 1861.7.6, kind of that area. Stop loss if you got in there would be 20 pips on the previous 15. Yeah, nice. Pretty nice. So we'll see. Looks good though, looks good. Let's look at GJ. GJ's still fucking around. It's interesting that gold's going down. Very interesting. So, 20 seconds over here. 30 minutes going to close. Bearish. It's going to close below for me. Would you take gold in the 15 retest? Yeah, potentially. 1861.57. Stop loss would be 1863.8. That should be good. I mean, clean candles to the left as well, man. This should be pretty nice over here. So yeah, I'm probably gonna wait for a retest. Let me just put this on over here if I can. So now we've got the 15 closing below. I mean, getting on the break of the lows could be interesting over here. I'm gonna wait for a retest back up. If I miss it, I miss it. If not, that's great. Breaking of lows right now. Should be good to continue. Just to look at the 30 again. Yeah, 29 minutes left. Breaking the 30-minute lows, breaking the hourly current lows. Very nice. Bam, 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 bam. Does it have anything to do with USD since isn't stronger in currency meter? Oh, I have no idea. Gold break hourly now going down. GJ, yeah, let's take a look at GJ. GJ's still looking nasty, man. Yeah, GJ's still looking nasty, I'd say. So I have a sell limit here. Just put this on over here. Yeah. So on my MetaTrader, it's actually let's take a look over here. 476147. Let me just edit this. There you go. Beautiful. Beautiful. Let's take a look over here on GJ. Yep, shitty. So we'll see over here. We'll see what the score is on Goldie Boy. This may continue down. I may miss it, but the 5-minute hasn't retested, so I kind of want the 5 minutes retest. Yeah, boy. Should gold already be hitting people's stop losses for those in buys? It's where's your stop, right? For me, the only stop is over here. So if you're getting in there, then yeah, maybe. Yeah, maybe. Are we in sells? I've got a sell limit here. Because that is the 5-minute retest. Because we see that gold, especially, I mean, we've seen it loads of times here. When we get a break, it loves to retest the previous level first, but then before continuing down. So for me, getting in here, I mean, if you got in on the flip there, you would have got in 4 pips profit, and now you've just taken 10 pips drawdown, nearly 8 pips drawdown. So, yeah. Could also retest here as well, to be honest with you, because the left hand side is a big level, but for me the stop loss over here above there is going to be tasty for me. Not activated yet.
Cheers, guys. I'll see you guys in a while. I'm gonna get some rest, man.
See you later, Jace, my boy. Let's take a look at you and GJ. Oh, GJ looks fucking awful. Max, if it closes bullish, won't it be closure back in the zone? Is this the 50-minute? Yeah. It's got 10 minutes left. So yeah, if it closes back in the zone over here, a strong candle, then yeah, I'd delete it. I'm on the plane and just paid $15 Wi-Fi just to watch your stream. Oh my god, amazing. Amazing. Where you going? Where you going on holiday, my man? 122 likes. Amazing work today, guys. So we'll see. Looking like it's coming up, which is nice. Stop loss will be all the way up here, so I kind of like that. I also do know that I may miss this as well, because of the fact that it could have retested here already, and this is the retest. But if you get in there, the stop loss is 29 pips. Yeah, fuck that. Let's just put it here, 4-7, there it is. 1859, wicks to the left, 1859, here? Not really, no. I mean, look at the 30, it's clean as hell. Nah, it doesn't really affect me too much. So, I mean, it's still like 6 minutes into the 30-minute candle, right? So it's got a lot of time. Got a lot of time. No, 8th of June. Oh, further along. Oh yeah, here. Yeah, that's a little bit of a thing, but when we get there, I'll only be taking profits and stop us to break even, right? Yeah. I'll only be taking profits and stop us to break even, so. Going for a training to buy to Ivory Coast. Oh, wow. Yeah, I agree. Let's take a look at the 5 minutes, how we are doing. Let's take a look at the 3. Yeah. Seven minutes left, still enough time in this candle. GJ back up in the zone. Oh, yeah. Wow. Could not continue. I'm looking for a fake out at this level, but needed 30-minute 50 in closure. Offer buys, Nathan? Give a like, guys. This guy is cool, man. This guy is cool, wicked. Is the bottom wick not too big to invalidate the retest strategy? No, because it's gold. If it was GJ, then yeah. If it was GJ, yes, but gold, no. Gold doesn't really respect that too much, as long as it isn't fucking like down here. Yeah. Now I'm waiting for the 4-hour new candle, then I'll take one entry for sell. I'm right, GJ. Ah, nice. 134 likes today. Amazing work. Very nice. Very nice. Yes, max on gold. Above 1861. Yeah. Back in the zone for sure. So looking like we're going to flip now, so this is probably going to be the drive. So unfortunately the retest is probably a little bit earlier. look what notification I just got. Oh my god. Bitcoin's going down, boy. Okay, I think that was the retest over here. Yeah, so I think I'm probably going to delete these. I mean, if you're getting on the break of the 15 lows again, could be kind of nice. But yeah, I think I'm going to delete mine now. Didn't come up high enough, unfortunately. Let's do this. Reply, delete, sell, limit. Some guy in the mentorship has made a bot where it copies my signals when I write them in the chat. Isn't that mad?
In the mentorship?
Yeah. So he like you know, for himself. I mean, he might use it for other people, but fuck, who cares? He goes, Max, can you like reply to the signal when you put stop loss to break even, etc. Because my bot needs to read it.
Oh wow.
Like sick, because like you know normally I just do like a message after a message after a message. If you just do reply, then it stays with it. Beautiful over here, so it should continue down now. I'm going to paper trade this over here, so the break of the 15 lows there. Stop loss above. As I said, the retest is probably there. But yeah, let's just see how this would work out over here. I wanted the retest a little bit higher up, so I can't do much about that, but it should be good now to continue bearish. So, how much would you stop there on the next break? 12 pips. Beautiful. So that would have worked out nicely, man. I just wanted to get a little bit higher up on the retest, but I didn't know that I could retest on that level, and it did that nicely. Okay, so break of the 15 lows now, up around about 10 pips, stop loss to break even, and there you go, Bob's Runkle. There's your 1-to-1. So, nice. I just wanted a little bit higher up over here. I'm getting you guys into the retest on YouTube. I see people here going, Max, what the fuck are you doing? I'm like, don't worry about it. It's just a retest. It's what we've been working on. It's what we've been working on, man. I can't wait to do the first trade. The first winning retest trade on here. Oh my god. You give me like, fuck, you made like 3% on that trade? Yes, sir. It's gonna be nice. Cause I don't see anyone do retests on stream, so it'll be nice. It's gonna be nice. The only person I know actually does it is 10 pips daily, and he doesn't stream.
I was gonna say Connor.
Yeah. You should have taken this, Max. Well, I just wanted the retest because the untested area for me was a little bit higher up here, and then also I could have had my stops in the previous 15. But looking back on it now, let's just take a look. So getting in at that area over here, which is, you know, the retest and the support, which makes sense. Your stop loss would be 28 pips. Break of the lows here would have worked out as well. Yeah, but that's what I wanted really for Goldie. I'm sick of taking sells in the lows. They just never fucking work. I mean, obviously this one did, but I kind of want to get in at a nicer price instead of the right lows, because the amount of times it can just wick up, like it just did, by the way. It did this, remember? You need to remember that. It broke the lows, came all the way back up, and then it's continued. But that's because it needed to retest. What lot size is appropriate if you're trading Bitcoin or MetaTrader? I have no idea, but let me just check Bitcoin. No! Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. No. I just know so many people after this nut down here took buys here. In these areas, like, yeah, I'm gonna hold this for fucking ages. Yeah. Oh no. And there we go. So that kind of worked nicely. I mean, targets is kind of hard to see because it's so clean, right? But I mean, hit 20 pips over here, so that was nice. Beautiful. But yeah, it wasn't exactly how I wanted. Wanted a little bit higher up, but worked out nicely, man. Hope you guys are getting used to these little retests over here because they work out nicely. That's a shame DC got a small L on gold. Did he get in at the first break? I think he probably would have if you said he's taking an L. Let's take a look over here. Let's take a look and see DC over here. Go show DC some support. He's really good streamer. He's a good lad. So, yeah, let's take a look. So same idea as me, I think. I think maybe he just got in. Yeah, he just got in the break of the lows.
1859.7.
Oh, fuck, I wish I caught that, man. Holy shit. If that was just a little bit higher up. Let's take a look then on the 3 minute, because the 3 minute may show you some more. Yeah, let's take a look at the 3 minute. Yeah, it did. Oh, man, Sashin was balls deep in that. If he was up. Nice.
I got in that on 3 minutes. Right?
Did you?
44 pips up at the moment.
Good lad. Nice, man.
It was a real small stop. It was like 5 pip stops. I thought, risk it.
Yeah. Worth it. Look at that shit. 5 pip stops. 5 pip stops for a 50 pip gain. Fuck. Yeah, but 1 to 10 risk reward. You have to hit it once every 10 trades to break even.
Yeah, that's what I've been doing recently. I think I had 7 losses in a winner, in a row of losers, but there was only like 0.2, 0.3, and then 1 winner takes all them out plus a nice 1%.
Yeah. What should be the TP? I think you should be closing as it goes along, right? So if you're up over here, you know, up 39, 40 pips, you should be closing some here. Because you don't know how far this is going to push until it retraces, and then you're going to be like, oh, man. So I'd close 80% and leave the rest running. I mean, targets for the rest running. Let's take a look to the left-hand side. I mean, if you really wanted to hold it all the way, I mean, it's hard here because its price was so bad last week, you can't really see where it would go, right? Let's take a look on the 30 minute. Also, guys, the 50 minutes just closed. Perfect time to take more off because it has to make a top wick over here, and this is when the top wick can fuck in the ass. So make sure to take some positions off there if you did take that. But yeah. Beautiful. Couldn't get my entry, but worked out nicely for the people. On the re-break of the lows was good, right? Yeah. The re-break of the lows was pretty clean. GJ is not giving me any hope in anything right now. I am very staying away from it. The hourly looks good again. 30 minutes coming down.
Yeah, and then you look at the 15 minute and it's like, stay the fuck away.
Yeah. Beautiful. So, man, I mean, if it was a bit more aggressive and just went fuck it and got the stops there, then that would have been nice. And then the 5 minute that Jason called out over here. So, pretty good on gold this morning. Very, very nice. GJ, nothing really. Well done for people taking that. I see some W's in the chat, so you guys must have taken it. Well done. On the break of the lows. How come you didn't take it on the break of the current candle lows when it made the nicer top wick and you just used current candles? Yeah, I mean, I might have, I should have, to be honest, but I was still focusing on my retest, right? So I had about a second to think about it. Yeah. I mean, theoretically, what I should have done, I mean, looking back at it now, is my sell limit should be here, and then I should also have a sell stop there now, just in case, because you'd get the drive anyway. It's just I wanted a nicer entry. Yeah. So what I'm trying to explain over here is that, so if this is zone 1, let's take a look over here. This is zone 1, right? So this one here is zone 1. And we're coming into zone 2. I wanted to get into a trade like here, or like in these areas here, with my stop loss, you know, firmly in zone 1. Whereas if you're getting in here, like what happened with DC there, your stop loss isn't really in zone 1. It's still, it's right on, you know, it's right on the support of it. It's not in the zone. So your stop is not as, your stop loss isn't in a safe place. So I think what the retest does when it happens is you get a stop loss in such a nicer entry in the previous zone, whereas not just at the edge over here, because the amount of times that this can wick you out, which just happened over here. On the 5 minute, you can see what happened. It wick, you know, made a little top wick down, and then came back up. It just saves you from those little L's. Got the re-break of the lows, nice start to the week, beautiful. Next time I need to put alerts on as I missed this trade while biking it. Wow, it looks like fucking everyone took that gold trade, holy shit. Yeah, Shane. Yeah, for the retest, I agree, because I said that in it. It could be also 1860, because that's, you know, reasonable. My only issue for that is the stops. So then, yeah, break of the lows again. It would have been the entry, I think. If this retest to there, and I could put my stop loss above the previous 15, like there, then I would have taken it. But it's not. It's all the way up here, 29 pips. So that's why. But yeah. Don't worry, Ryan. I didn't take it either, my boy. Don't worry. We just went through it as a group. My TP 1852. Oh, someone's nice. I mean, yeah. I think all you should do now with gold, realistically, because London doesn't move too much, right? It doesn't move massively. Like, this is a big ass move, right? All I'd say is if this candle breaks the low, then you move the stop loss on this high, and then you just keep on doing that until it stops. That's all I'd say. Yeah. Yeah. I was about to enter, but stop loss is 10 to 15. It was 8. Oh no, you can still do that, my man. You can still do it. If you've got an 8 pip entry, go for it. Yeah. Remember me, I am from Instagram that mentioned I will join your mentorship today. Oh, amazing. Yeah, welcome to the squad. Welcome to the squad. Yeah, guys, so if you do want to join us with NY session and get the whole access to the G drive, I'll just show it over here, just what you get over here. Have I updated recently? Yeah, I have. So you could pay £50 a month, and if you don't like it, then you can fuck off, right? Because it's only 1 month, right? You're not guaranteed. You don't have to stay here for ages. There's no. Oh fuck me. Let me just sort this out. Let me just go on the other side. So you get access to the G drive in that month. You don't have to stay here for a certain amount of time to get it. You get it straight away. You get all of the content, and yeah, it's pretty good. Let me just do this over here. There we go. So yeah, you get access to this. You get access to the chat with everyone over here. You get access to the thing where we put all of our simulations, etc. But here are all the simulations. So GJ simulations all down there. Homeworks, these are the recaps of the homeworks, all there. The setup strategy, so these are all of the pictures, and then all of the webinars. Bosh! Oh, that feels nice. And they get added every single week. So at the moment you've got 42 webinars. You get access to the NY stream all month. I mean, it's fucking a lot of bang for your buck if you're only in for 1 month. So, it's a good way of putting it back. So yeah, so here right now, what I would do is if it breaks that low, I'd move my runner on here like that, and then just see how far it can push down over here. That's what I'd do. That's what I'd do. Possible GJ sells? Yeah. Yeah. Closing in 8 minutes time, the hourly candle. Yeah. Looking a bit better now, Bri, what do you think? With the closure in 7 minutes?
Yeah, closure for sure, definitely.
Yeah, boy.
And then you've got a retest opportunity, right? Either to the resistance once the support breaks, or you can get that, or you can get this. So it's either going to do that and then come down, or it's going to wick up and then leave the zone like you like.
Yeah. Yeah, boy. Okay, just join how to get access to the Google Drive. So you'll get an email right now to join the chat and Telegram, and then I'll add you to the G Drive in after the stream. My boy. So 7 minutes left over here. Oh fuck. Hasn't broken the low yet, so I'd still have it on. But if it breaks that low, then you should be good. 7 minutes left. Oh my god. Fuck. It's still going. Oh god. Oh my god.
That's gonna go.
Oh my god. Down 9%. Solana's down 14. XRP 7.
Is Solana down 14?
Yeah.
So then I'm gonna buy Sasha's NFTs, all of them. So.
Oh God.
The problem is he's in that mind frame of now that it drops, he buys more, right?
Yeah, but he's gonna be buying a
problem
lot
with
more
crypto,
then.
that as it comes down, yeah, 100% until the bigger crash comes. This
Buy
is
the
just
dip.
beginning, boys.
Buy the dip. Buy the dip. There's too many dips. I've got no money to buy.
This is the last dip, and it's gonna be the big one.
Yeah. Oh God. I think what kind of like opened my eyes to it was that you always know that the governments are controlling you, right? They don't want you to have this kind of freedom that people are having with it, so they're going to control it eventually, and then it's just going to be nothing, right? So that's kind of what put me off it. Oh, for fuck's sake, GG. Max, take a look at AJ. Oh, yeah. AJ may be the one. AJ left hand side looks a little bit wank, to be honest, but yeah, we'll see. So if I go retest there, stop loss above 18 pips, yeah, it's too big. Too big. This is a big dipper, boys. Come on, GJ, relax now. 5 minutes left.
Nah, forget it. What's that fucking piece of shit?
Yeah.
Well, that's gonna be another great week. I can feel it.
Yep. Make sure to set your buy orders at Bitcoin for $100. That's the flip. $100. Fuck. That's great. $100. It's quite hard to multitask doing coursework and getting ready for a trade. Yeah, I bet. Do the coursework, brother. Get it done. God, I feel sorry for people playing in that area there, though. Fuck. The break of that area though did work out. Yeah, interesting.
Yeah, it's the stops.
I mean, yeah, you just gotta hope, right?
Yeah, but you can see the stops are just ridiculous.
Yeah. They're massive. The stops were massive. So we'll see, looking like it's relaxed a little bit. Where would be your perfect entry, Bri? Flip low, all depending on the stop.
I think it's going to be too big, Max.
Yeah.
I think it's going to be too big. So
yeah,
we have to wait for the new candle, right? So that's the thing. It might not come up as much, and then it takes the low, and then it runs, and then it's just a mess, right?
Yeah.
So and you're in the middle of a zone again. So are we going to come up more? Are we going to leave that zone? Are we going to fill it quick with the impulse? So it's just, I don't know. We are bearish, right? So it's that we know the direction. It's just to get in.
Yeah.
And if you think about it from the impulse this morning, because that's the only way you would have gotten it, it's 96 pips.
Yeah. Yeah, true. Very true. Max AJ is better. Let's take a look on the hourly time frame over here. This zone to the left is shit. But yeah, it's nicer for stops as well, right? It is nicer for stops. What's GJTP? You look to the left, it's 460. That's what I found anyway. But go check to the left yourself and see if you can relate or something else. What software do you use? Soft FOREX. I'll type it in here. One more minute left. Yeah, looking like it's maybe running too much over here. Look at Goldie. Oh, Goldie's still in. Closing in 50 seconds time though, bullish, so not the best. Yeah, GG over here, nice. There we go, beautiful. And there we go, amazing. So if it closed there, it would have been nice, but now we're in the middle of the zone again. Look at AJ, fuck. Look at AJ, boy. So 6 seconds left for the closure. The only issue is, as I said, it's in the middle of the zone over here. Where would the retest be? So, hourly close bearish. Nice. Flipping the candle already. Probably going to break the lows. Yeah, it's fast. Break the low over here.
Now it's gonna break the low and probably come back up again.
Well, yeah, it's gonna do whatever it wants to do. But for me, that's the benefit of impulse trades. Yeah, exactly. You take more trades, right? But if you took that impulse on GJ here, you would have lost. You would have lost a lot of impulses to then finally get this one for sure.
And the big drop from this morning, you would have to run like a 15 pip SL.
Yeah. Oh yes. So let's see if it continues. So if you got in on the break of the low, your stop loss would be 10 pips. 10 pipperoonies. DC got it. Yeah, he must have done the impulse over here. 5 minutes look good. Looks good, man. It's too far in the zone. It could easily just retest 892 for me.
And this is the thing, when you start to add a bit more like breakout, now you're adding retest, then you're gonna add Jason's 5 minutes. You gotta be sharp when seeing them, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
You gotta go for it, or you gotta think a bit more.
Bro, he has taken 4 trades in a session. Is good to influence. I mean, you know, if the trades are there for sure, you know, that trade. I mean, I think let's take a look at DC over here. If he took a trade, yeah, he's holding it. Nice. Yeah, so he got in on the impulse over here. Quite far down actually. Shit, let's take a look. He got in like there.
Yeah, but if you think about it, that low is breaking the range 15, so it's not bad.
Yeah.
That's very, very impulsive. That's
yeah. Gotta be in it to win it. Gotta be in it to win it, boy.
He only does impulse, eh?
No, you do closures, but he does.
No.
Yeah, very much impulse. A lot of impulses. Yeah. AJ 9422. I have no idea, man. GJ coming over here to 465. Very nice. Very nice indeed. Yeah, it could have been reasonable. I mean, the zone was big enough, right? But it's just the way it closed. It's just so far down.
And happened fast.
Yeah. Never mind. Don't think I'm getting that trade. Laugh me out loud. You missed it.
But to be fair, it did open with no bottom wick.
Yeah, that was the only thing that was keeping it nice, right? And I suppose when you get to the bottom wick, you just put break even, see how far it comes. So nice. Impulses won again in June. But that goal was fire, man. Fuck, that was tasty. Both of them gold little setups were nice. So I'm glad I brought them down today. So if you broke the low, you got 10 pips, yeah. So you should have closed over here. Don't hold the bag. Take your money 1-to-1. Very, very nice. If it wants to continue, it can. If it doesn't, you're okay. Because remember, you're right in the middle of the zone. So the zone could easily come back above. Yeah, it could always come back above, so... Could always come back. Let's take a look over here. Just gonna check something. Let's take a look over here. Yeah, so I think nice. 2 of these retest trades weekly enough for us. Let's wait. Yeah, exactly, my man. Very nice, very nice. So there was very, very good gold sells in the 1 hour flip. Yeah. On the 1 hour flip, or here? Oh, I don't know. It's pushed quite a lot. There's many this 50-minute closure below, I think, for me. I entered Bitcoin sell when you received the alert. Where was the alert again? That's funny, that. Did you take profits? I think I had the alert there. How far did it go down? I had it at 5, yeah, 5 flat. Went down 400 pips. I don't know what that is in terms, but there you go. That's great. I just mark my chart for Bitcoin, some guy takes a trade on it. That's great. Max, you wouldn't understand. I was 1 sec away from placing AJ sales. I looked away and it looked... But yeah, exactly. It was very, very quick, right? It happened pretty much instantly, right? Let's take a look over here. Yeah, straight away. Not even a minute. On GJ and AJ. When it has played out, it's easier to say the flip was okay. Exactly. That's very, very true. When actually, in hindsight, you know, was it actually? You know, did you have to take a drawdown? Was it a pain in the ass? If you do all flips, sometimes you can get caught out. There's quite a lot of flips over here that could have caught you out. Yeah. Could have caught you out a lot. Beautiful. So GJ did work out nicely. Good volume. The thing that I like about this week already is the zones are beautiful. Clean areas. I mean, that kind of wasn't at 8 o'clock. After it broke was nice, right? Let's take a look at the 5 minute. Was there any indication there? Nice 5 minute bearish. Yeah. Nice 5 minute bearish. Big strong 5 minute as well. I missed that gold and GJ impulses. Oh, no way. Yeah, I think DC got him over here, which is nice of him. Good lad. Making back that gold loss. Beautiful. Love the patience for setups. Come from a group where it was impulse, impulse, impulse. Yeah, I bet. You know, the impulses do work. I mean, especially recently, they're working nicely. It's when they don't work, you get clotted quite a lot. Like here, impulse there, impulse there, impulse there, impulses there for the buys. You know, it's just, it's not a solid way. It personally, in my opinion, I know loads of people do it, but for a longevity, it's just not the way, right? I'd rather just wait for a setup. Yeah. Yeah, exactly. You prefer the vibe and crack. Bro, are you even probably... You seem too scared to enter any trades. How do you only have 1 trade last week? Yeah, I don't take impulses. How do you only have 1 trade last week? I took 5 trades last week. I took 5 trades last week, and I took 2 in London. Yeah, but I took. Oh, sorry, no, I took 1, 2. I took 4 last week. Sorry, 4. So yeah, I think later on for GJ, what am I going to wait for? Well, this is phase 1. I'm going to wait for a retest over here, 164, 890, 880, which then continue bearish later on. That would be nice. Gold, I mean, could continue down over here, but that was a nice little entry that I talked about there. I mean, the retest there was a little bit lower than I wanted, a little bit higher would have been nice, and I would have been balls deep in that. Shout out to Jason, who took this beautiful Goldie sell, which played out beautifully, worked out nicely, and yeah, amazing stuff. So thank you guys for coming on, and yes, for later on NY session, I'm going to be waiting for the retest, as I said, and yeah, we'll hope to get a trade over here, but it was nice, beautiful big candles. It's just the way to enter was a little bit harder over here. But yeah, guys, thank you so much for coming on, and I'll see you guys later. See you guys for NY session, man. Peace out. See you later, squad.
Thank you, Max.
See you later, squad. Peace out, man. See you later, YouTube. Thank you so much for coming on, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Or if you guys do want to join NY, I'll put the link in to come join. I've had over a lot of people joining in the week, so you'll be with a bunch of new people as well, which is nice. So yeah, make sure to come and join that. And yeah, main issue with impulses for me is that they mess up with me emotionally. If they work out, I feel like I win the lottery. When they don't, I feel like a donkey for not waiting for closure. That is the best comment I've seen. Beautiful. That is the best comment I've seen. In fact, I'm gonna probably take that comment and put it on my Instagram. Beautiful. But yeah, guys, thank you so much for coming on. Amazing work today. Very happy. So yeah, guys, peace out. Thank you very much for coming on, and I'll see you guys later. Adios, amigos. Peace out.